he get all this recall? Very sharp.
Yo, when I tell
87.9 Kumasi.
Ono angasa de ye wono to sane madum ba kono no ye to so mi no o san hwan o ye obi ana o parking kan pa be si ne nyina ndi o ye research edi ndi ama na dwene no aye sharp ana se emu adọ chen sebe obi a o ye professor kra ndi ono a esua ono a ebusa ono a hwehwemu na akonya otiso nso so esa kyerɛkyerɛ no niama ono aka sɛ odakra otimi so daye o niama bi ndi na je sɛ sunsun mu ne honam mu ene adwene mu ni nyina odi akabom no de adwuma na eboa usai na okase mi so yi yare na usai yi no enye emra ye ne wo ka asem na wo nim asem kro na yese fa homwa ebra na wo be wakote se usai yare na mbom wo yare dada na bi si na yese mefra wa na wo kase untime ma na usai yare na yese emra ye ka asem no na wo wakoji doctor krata ede abewuram se usai yare nje no aye odi nkyerɛkyerɛ odi ma ayimfo na atwa ho ahia no eno no ene nipa no nso utimu hu se ade a oye nyinaa ye eje se krono sam ne sisiri sam ene yi apo ya odi bo enkofo endi ohene nso ne se ompene ma no nko saade no enkoso de kwan bia so no opew ese otwena so asotwe kro ode ma no ne de ye nyina itie bi ye hwe na utimu se keka kose sebe obagina konya se ho na keka ko ohene nso de obi nim ni
87.9 Kumasi.
Mpanin sem de mpempie no ya na kakra na inimwo ebia ho emom ye se da ka kiro se ye be kan kwapra sem kopɛ ho asem bra de beti aka manawa ade wo mu ne se kwapra no oni adum ohene kura ka wo mu se wo ye adum hene apanima
adum hene apanima
aha na je se ayi kun se ohene bia wo fi ase a wo ya ketekete ne bia ya pagyaw samre ya ye kan de e wa beka otumfo abrempon ho na ansa na o beka ho na o hye adum hinase ndi o hye adum hinase nso a no ma mienu bia asase no a o teso no ene dibra wo no o sande na dia aka adum hine ho se ko hye nase anase adum hine o ba no kra no ono na bae nti edumu wo akwamu ezebi nyado akwamu no peni oda no eye akwamu hine na akwamu hine no the autonomous so eye edumu hine.
I think for period of time now yehu ohina why very broadcast why radical na ni abre wo na hemfo no bi so a edi enwiase ne nkekaye kakra
ese basa chese
right for my dive into enra nyumre chairman sabusu ebefia. He had a discussion with JB and Evans Income na wase nya no kreda so lobby for any vice president position and a running mate.
Many baby as animal free. But see, as any petty person, mommy, a DB because share will be a young means a buy the total be doing Dr. Mamma. You shall say 1992, a year presidential candidate. Professor Aduanaba. So be na community bi share na ko say Kofa Araya last no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Oye na consultation. And Kofa Araya last. You do President Kofi so. Kofa Aliuma. In fact, the first person of farm said running mate. Na ye wofa penny call in Kenziaka.
Okay, yeah.
As I'm running a Great Alliance. And a man of Kofa as the running mate. That was 1996 elections. No? I knew about 2000 no far Ali Muhammad. I remember when he my who knew say Ali Muhammad never running mate to Kofi. On one or trans every night dreaming. Of course, we are by consultation here and there. Or resting on Ali Muhammad, no, the Dini Bro National Council. Say, Nipa, me, my Rimu, no, bet me a boamini. Obia person of be running meeting. You should know if you are the body chemistry of the two crowd work together. Or I'm four, together. And I say, no, crumble me as a so. You look at all these things. One poor be as a also. President Kofi, one no, and a funny nipa. The National Council approve we. A good father, President, Kofi,
Dr. Bao,
nearby no. Anybody be no. Or be born in the National Council. Nipa miensa, and the Casamano.
I see.
The late Banridu. And if I'm saying, no, a finance minister.
Yeah, sure, finance minister.
Not Safama for so a
finance minister.
Immediate past finance minister. Safama who spoke for him. So they be called Hipik. And near ma adventure or the brain no. It works to the advantage of the country.
Oh, I see.
Saf a Banridu. No, yeah, finance minister also Kasai. The third person who spoke was the then president, President Kofi. He paid me and sent a Kasama Bomia. Ubia na onimno na say me mfetwe no. Akoma bafo. The me can say ubia nwini bibi anko share. Kofi ade kon. Sanity. Say we say jai whoever wins. But I believe that Baumia is going to win.
Yes.
Yeah. Onwa fanagene. Ubia enforce no say for we. Yeah.
But I sincerely believe that the rumor will be true someday.
87.9 Kumasi.
Yes, I think I'm your white Anna.
Me bacho, me nka sanchi. Maybe whoever what the brain onwa na kumemu he say with me boy. Nipa no tunes any so no bit me boy here. Why not? I don't want anybody. Chinching after we no.
But
it doesn't work like that.
But in your one and Kenya bad.
You are not Baumia, you don't make the choice.
But
for
the voice of the people.
Project no. Now a 4-tier interchange.
Yes.
Projection no say. Almost as ya 30 months, 2.5 years.
Okay.
In the baby.
Okay. That was the projection.
Yes. See yeah. See it's about half of the 30 months in Naka.
Gone.
And he said, I don't likely some bit me. Now the first 2 layers, no, a friend saying, maybe they could do the first 2.
The first 2.
Naka tier 3 and tier 4.
Okay.
So, but you know, see, you know, near Skabi, and I'm say, yeah,
sure.
This no, and a crabom, say, come with the Zemba, and ma, a sick as a toba haka crack. You may I am for Kushian. A home I could hear say, or maybe only Casano. So this canon, so first can young mount. This is kind of one who I feel a little more. What to break.
Or to train
because say the see you know na man for no be a man no more kasani bi so say but this kind of man be na want me the World Bank here on assessment wie no mo kase afei de you ma clean bill of health obetimi otua ansana sa man this kind of bro.
Okay.
It is sanity.
I see. So are we going to see a better flyover now? A better 2T and first two no. A better flyover now.
Yeah, flyover is saying.
So yeah, 40 interchange.
Yes.
Now only your first two no.
Yes.
The first two no. Are we going to see a complete first two no better interchange in the last two never better also?
That's the point I'm making. Say 40.
Okay.
Indeed. Because maybe I'm not part of the contracting firm.
Yeah, sure.
But I'm just saying, say, and I'm saying, oh yeah, for no. Normally, if you are over transfer you too. So, and so now I third and fourth years na come. Be so may decide to say obeying in album. So, say na be ya, a binya a congruence. One going win a mistake be a man.
Yeah.
Something like. Also, at the same time. I don't know their plans. I'm just saying, so meet me will be in power about the first 2 years, not the third and the fourth.
So obviously you'll be leaving Swami with a lot of joy or smile on your face after 2024.
Oh,
so meet me your first to the career.
Me just say, Penny be my baby. I think. On balance, and make us say,
okay,
you will not be able to attain 100%, or maybe even 90%. But Kakra and Mami so I have great joy in that.
Great joy.
Yes.
And near your program, I say, in fact, you share the MC for Offenso South, Ira Kingsley. And the companies in the aqua say or buy and one to say yeah can be on the honomo. In fact, he's been crying of rows upon rows. I'm a nano crying the best near demonstration to so born on the idea. Not just say na you cry. It just and he's been complaining say maybe I don't know. Waman in Sasso because they saw the community and a lot of other communities also complain Yakwai. What is wrong with our rules? What is wrong with Asante region and Yakwai?
Even Yakwai day. About way by Yibi Pow. No Gusun so Yibi. I'm saying so because you see President Kofi.
Yes.
Obaye. Now the total road network and now 39,000 kilometers.
Okay.
Kilometers. And Pim Ediasanko. President Kofi for tracing they call 69,000.
69,000. Interesting. About 30,000.
About 30,000 kilometers na Kofi de kan. And the crest do no na feeder routes. Na kwan bebree ha e bia afaso akotwa timba. So kokoro bi mu de e ba timba kwan yi de ko e na de ye maintain. Na we na ehunfu na say. Na ko for time no. Wo mo say every grade those roads. And I'm going to national road network. Because maintenance of those roads no be abayano.
Yeah, asudi.
And this is for abayano. Almost the bibeka. They increased the road network from 69,000 and they call 78,000.
I see.
It's almost a day about 9,000 kilometers.
9,000, yes.
Ebeka. From 69 to 78,000. And they are ye kasi. Abai we buy. The kwano the odiaka ho. Sisia ye kasi you know. It's about 103,000 kilometers.
Okay. 103,000
kilometers. The kufa do abai and so the 25,000 kilometers na come.
I see.
Si abai wa yebi. Pa. However, asama ne ye kan yayi. Asama ye kan yayi. Eye say abasa ko mo ni IMF e go to ye no. the hunsu so aso bi ne say obi a obo wa bia no atwene ho kakra omayimu afi bia ye budgeta sike fia ma no ne ebebo aye about $3 billion.
Yeah.
Afi bia
Yeah.
Nanu ya ye ko yi ye mayen sika mo de mayen about 3 billion.
3 billion, yeah.
And we over 3-year period. 3 billion now we are Fibia. They say we are 1 billion. Only the $2 billion bit me. So the 1 billion po ye kwanya. Say na work and once a man.
Yeah.
It's over 10 billion. What I say?
Yeah, sure.
Say you no contractors. They don't work about 10 billion.
Which contractors are more Ghana?
More Ghana.
Over 10 billion.
Yes.
Ghana cedis.
Ghana cedis.
Interesting.
Yes, can do. Think say can ba. O think stagnation gini ho.
Yeah, na komo timi ato aso ayi bi.
Na ko timi ayi de mo yie no nanka.
Masa de omuka.
Masa just say o matwa science.
Yeah, sure.
As I say bibia is stand still because scanner was saying eba e maybe that's the bottom line.
But leader, you who some kind of a kakra. Yeah, about to say by elections are you who some to me ya kwan magic be na kwan bi na guso ni ye Kumaru for instance you who be. Asante for instance you who be. And no mo just scan away.
Nti yenye by election bi brana.
But yeah by election bi ya kwa.
Nti yenye by election.
By election to me ya kwa magical rules be.
Let's be realistic. Yes. Say by election ban bi a wo ho. O kwa ho chirim. O kwa ho chirim because expectations that wo constituency ho no very high. We so by election by the and nyira so nyira ban no. Ye kwa na nyino no ye man. What you say?
Yes.
Do me was there oko block baby dey kakra. What ko baby. What you say? And that is what normally happens. But in regular times, they are not can any things except that they say baby I did do. And I'm probably exaggerated. But we hope. So they say Gina UCC as a country.
Yeah.
Any IMF in Kitahudi no baby and America. Nanu yamba ye for this year. Budget for 2023. Now buying the projection and say your GDP growth rate no. Your maswa could do be 1.5%.
Okay.
The good thing is that IMF for no buy na year review no. Who said this year we can grow by be nyame year do about 3.5%.
Oh, I see.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Yeah.
It may grow by 3.5%. What does it mean?
Yeah, kwenim.
Yeah, kwenim. You have additional space then
yeah, sure.
to spend money. Let's just say bit me puntujuma ekoswa I stored no.
Yet me
the good thing also is that IMF for now almost share say yen sika yen no man mu no domestic revenue yen say be page mu no kwase me say and also ya me aye adom ama yetimi a raise domestic revenue.
Okay.
Kakra.
The
na yen fa enu mu say be dey kwan yen no ba.
Oh sir.
Yes.
Ntabana nyeska kakra.
Ntabana nyeska kakra.
I see.
Na any part of yamfa budget yamfa enu say be nyesa. Ayenya beka.
From where?
Oh, from abana na muntu 2 year. The digitalization you pursue.
Okay.
In taxes.
Okay.
Am I excess money?
I see.
Outside the program you see binyana. So for instance electronic taxes.
The e-levy.
Yes, including
cha tax no.
And yes, nanu ya whatever.
Say
I'm saying the nanu you me can start here from January.
Okay.
Eba.
Okay.
Am I sika additional resources.
Okay.
And say a queen anima a beboy.
I see.
So until says can a bit maybe how they are share acquire.
Oh, okay.
And until the mammy ye when that's so. Say baby I could not a bit me as a pigeon.
You're going into the campaign proper very, very soon. But one major
bilateral arrangements are here. It be just be free source be especially be banks be this kind of bar. So IMF no can say o man to say journal na so be the first can kwa. What is kind of bar? That is I say over to can no investor be no be sir.
I see.
So anything na ma and the IMF for no year no. Also say no remember somebody can be your friend of staff level agreements SLA after reviewing we no no so be area and ya ma wasa in chapter 1.
Okay.
Omo ya Asante akoye executive approval.
I see.
So
yeah,
now you are buy. I think we are now more or less having that the staff level agreements are mama plus.
Oh, okay.
Say yeah
okay.
So they are feeling executive approval no. So but we are I feel we release
second tranche.
The tranche of another 600 million. What I say?
Yeah.
Sanity.
And on the bit with the Asante region project ni bi kakra.
Enipa nso feel say omemo e di na o de ni abresa chinchina wo piska fi me ho. Ndi ho balancing act.
Sure.
Say ni say wo maniema emu DP. Baraba nso yin sika. Yes anso abandima no a wo say yin so yin di ni ye. Then what do you do? Aye mpeni say bisipani ko na ha. Wo say tax na banyansa for.
But we are hearing say more taxes about no cray.
What
no budget to more.
Oh, trouble you ha ye ntinya. O say ye hwe kwan papa bi tun so.
Okay.
For instance, they can say budget property rates.
Yes.
On say intimi make any significant headway wo ho. Ne nan ke si benya na fi no. Ya wasa. Kwan papa no say dey fa so a wo say intimi je sa de no. Nti ho na aban no feel say kwan wo say fa so say the street system I was say ye na my kwan to identify every property district bi no near value property ni hu say no so to ya
Akoma FM
na you say ye assemblies ni ntimi ni the central government ni be mu say wo bom no be yi na fi ska obeje no e percentage be call assemblies no.
Now so mo demonstration ma a press conference ma na mo say mo kan na omo fi say abane sisi on dodo.
Unfortunately no.
I have for instance for instance almost omo to ho no mo ko hwe mo account mo appropriate rate by 1,000 Ghana. So 1,000 Ghana dey. KM so they were equally crying. And most of other assemblies, almost the property rate almost to make J as much as over 100,000 and plus. But 1,000, 1,500, people will cry less than 1,000 cities.
And American house say, I see it me. So it means that near say ko brewu, na so am say we dey in perfect them. Nti yen hwese bit ma straight in them up.
Okay.
So na ehunu e kwampa e be fa so. So it may be here. Now this country, the last census actually say if fear what a it's about 5.2 million.
Interesting.
Fee about
right. For we say Chairman Sabus extensively on all that and the issues. Whether Kennedy are compared to Japan between 20% or not, all these discussions went on. But yenti every year akoto. Exactly ahead of this Jamea Mameda on also. And ope me pese binyamre na me do omo wi ameko Kennedy Japan showdown voices and some wa kanyina wire omo cancel on the press conference. All that and ope ye de be ma. Pacho tie free answer.
Yenye ochina tin ko meda no. Na edom no abuso. Omo to abano amado sa o Sofia. Na ni no exese omo nyere wa makina ila no omo winya na se omo tiaje na sentino omo pese omo nyantiaje ba wewa aba nipa no ba na ba echiba ya hono exese aba ye vision no eni so de huru eye ma party enti wa anya na wa de so ye wa ebe ka akoto for no ye traba no kese epu ebe akoto memeda
Abemu awie
no na pesa kacho obi ase mo nche te ene obi aba se o mo sika sei ne traba no ma no o mo di ene no 24th 26 August no mo di ene mo eno nche se mo amwo ko mo na mo ye musi ene no enso obi de sempo ana se sepupa abrawa wo de fuba so park to chain what is canon how this canon no do the akobi no be sa no na ko trawo de dem baby akoto ba no de saye kese pa ba party mu ama party no nya baby exactly say be ya saye she time no o de be pa no enu na be she wo she enu no so na wo ba onana no onana kanso no dachi asem ene men kwanza ama agoto ene bidie aba gano mema mo bia ujo me bia no those who are proud so yes no yeah ejina kwayo jesia ejemi me na yeso afọ wo mu ene ekwan me edwuma me krafo ye no na ama me gidie bi wo mu se ye geru ehye wo mu ese tiri so o ma se e wo edwuma no mo ye no a wo be ye edwuma ama ho abamfaso ama ye esika edwuma bi ekunu e ja koye education school ho asem abomo din ho asem akwaya ye industrialization ni bibia no akrafo se so omo asegia omo betuma ye adwuma no ama ye nye mu a de be kesa ne me nyina so
right we a free Dr. Osu a free rana sa Dr. Akoto so free na motesa wono no de ne de to ho no na mayenko na ye ne before Enyantiasie. So far, campaign for more than 2 months. The ups, the downs, the low high, the high lights, and everything. Now, you know the political science perspective. Dr. Amache Boateng Wahoma so higher Akoma 87.9 FM, 3 minutes past 7. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
Na mpacho abusanfo nyina hoye
producer dum fiboko
Akoma FM dase anope wa kwanya wanyamaye. The new patriotic party just less than 72 hours now they are deciding who leads the party. What follow so far campaign nipa 9 the nemesia call initial assessment.
Damasi akonya odi amami na michia atifo politics mredo no yana yamano efa enipa yi wo mo na wo ma bedi eko ani but nse ekahwa but mredo no you do some ya you so nyema apagya wo man no so the ina yinim no some MPP mu no omuyi de bedi economy no makopre o mampani akonwa no aka nipa 9 bia kwa pro bia na ni so ade hu eko akwan mu enko ni se akansie no emu yedin akansie no emu yedin ani bre abam so the city no o sha delegates no omuni info analytics one fish more money better ho any kan yo womo a omaye omadwen a omo ready say omo adi bebia omo beto omo bako atuadi safo no ho ana womo a omo aye omadwen nemu omo no bi ani hu komo safo no so ho ene ni pe ko bia na omo so se omo de omo nyanye omadwen kra ndire chese usha juma nipa na AD emretintin abesin akui
Now roughly about 18% be. Say omuni omo adwin a ema yesa ba behwe tuma omo a pray akunye yi campaign a omo nsem a omo di egu akwan mu. Nti immediately kan say campaign de omo yi bi omo de ni so ade hu no ato ho. Na de aka eni say abato na nkasa beba so na emibia no attractive for ye hwehwemu a amanyosam isuban ye bibibi kolo hwehwemu adu mebi kura na omo a wototo omo anu no on shedan ka asem pa e wonu mu enchiro tru mebi a nti ye hwehwemu se a edin so adwuma no nyemre kura so to abani bia ene ebehu se de enyama no nyina city so far the major of the campaign there nipa nan no to mbi tina yi bia no omaye omunyamre a omde ebeye na omotu na mo a won se omotu resources bia omo mobilize mi ni obi obeye complain say e bia na hodin asa bia sika samo di ye ni campaign ya jadi obi a me complain ti mi kidi se omo na resources omo a omde omo campaign omunya ni nyina. So far, so good. The most important thing is a campaign no course na and nyama teacher say ibinya peaceful elections. Nyama teacher say ibinya peaceful elections. Candidates ni na danadi. So bia peaceful elections. Ntoma ebehwe abano so no. Obi anhwe no momfa bibia entutu yie. So far the migiri say it my campaign akoso. So there was an echo.
I see.
We just keeping our fingers crossed. Okay, so on better Aban.
Canada, Japan, according to the majority leader, Chairman Sabuz, was this not 20% cry? He will be seriously surprised. Sir.
I've all the time maintained a one horse race in this summer. I've maintained that a one horse race too. So Dr. Bomina, anything less than 60%, I will also be surprised.
Oh, really?
And
that's the way I share the views that Canada Japan on hit more than 30% cry.
And that's all hit it. And that's all hit in the sense that Dr. Bomina is 60%. And someone people are coming in a jagu. Don't forget that Canada Japan is also a critique of the system.
Yeah.
Wajapin akan attacking certain core critical issues. I mean, Dr. Baumia's skills, his knowledge, his experience, his education has not shown. And that is clear. And that and so about
Nim die a Ghana fo hu ne se owo ene ne sue hu no ene di meso ma mfaso ma Ghana fo
so aba ohini enso aba o ma mi ti kasam enye se MBB fo betia intellectual community of Ghana any party ni nya twen se COVID any Russian Ukraine na ama o ma mi ti kasam aginsem poto no iwom sisi no ya kase eyamamu poni bad governance consciously or unconsciously MPP no ajatu say amamu poni anything na members of parliament ni can say uru furiata ontifom. And Canada Japan has not been shy to address these issues, but you see, I expect the party to defend itself. I expect the party to protect so-called record going forward. If they don't do that, then another would have been terribly exposed.
Wow.
And I mean, and this Dr. Bomina anything below 60%. It does not necessarily mean that he's going to get that per se. But then, if he doesn't get that, the party will be in bad business. Another development that info analytics for no Shimudi by and say Canada Japan lead in Ashanti region.
Yeah.
And you are to me Ashanti region. And you are Ashanti regional minister, Ashanti region. Support to Ben and I know we hear free on Peniho. One the stronghold of the party in Ashanti region. I want to me to say Canada Japan is a leading contender or votes in Ashanti region. And then, the outcome of the votes in Ashanti region will also speak. Some of you say, "Stop following in our young show." And I did the Jumadi Mawomo Eddie resources can home, so Mumaya Ashanti Momanyana. The essentially a referendum on the performance of Nanadu and how I reflected on Dr. Baumia's on political fortunes. America will come say Dr. Baumia so when is speaking volumes. So no only party no now in 2024 Odin Kugua, that will be the last time Dr. Baumia will become significant figure in the party. Because the moment another move control another work over the party in a better form. They see a mere national executives this time round. Almost and Juma. We are 17 Juma. We are Justin Kobia Juma. Tell the Premier no more yet those candidates, and we know that we know here in Kumasi, Chamaun to me support from Bodu. And so now just in Kobe of Ashanti region, Nana Opre, General Secretaryship, So Sanyama will mean in our implications. And implications, about that, Dr. Baumiaso. Doesn't mean Ashanti region is speaking, is sending a message that is going by info analytics, almost survey, if there is anything to go by there. Are people in Ashanti region speaking? These are some of the issues.
So the reflection is that even the party for Nankasana within the region and they're happy with the system in terms of Mwane development akoso enunti na ema Kennedy enya higher vote our region ha a chain Dr. Baumia more or less who say the system candidate,
Yes, and Miss the other factors like the Alan factor and so can. The Alan factor and so can. There are multiplicity of factors summary by info analytics, can lead in Ashanti region. There are several factors, and don't forget about the fact that Ken has also been advocating, for the party to pay attention to Ashanti region. Or Shachache. Some of the say now would say a Amano Abe Cancer or your president or the person of pray.
Yeah.
The guy said he has spoken to several issues before.
Sure.
The factors I done what did he say.
Would you say, sir, the absence of Alan Kojocha Martin as a bigger impact on the outcome results? I will be a banana.
And then the absence per se, but a factor. And you man assisia afano a lead to say fee, and yet a mono fee now per se. And then I mean, those politics are a day the current divisions other party. Division is symbolized by the fact that Alan Chamatin Free Party. And don't forget, sir, until some Alan was seen as representing the Kufo faction in the party. Don't forget that. The side division, what I call Nanado's politics. Edim Papemu, Abba. I'm building Edim Papemu, Abba. And very soon we will all be looking, forward to see conscious efforts on the safety equipment. But that will be when Nanado's term of office is over. And that is when so Dr. Bawumia knew Kunim Saturday 1, 2, the general elections. When to minister answer Ennin the political fortunes here over.
Dr. Bawumia Ennin.
Yes.
But sir, you've just said it, sir. You will appears to be obvious for now. But the percentage
appears to be obvious, but as far as
okay. Nkunimdieno is not just about winning, but a winning winning.
Yes. But at the same time, I'm also saying that there's some
okay.
It should be obvious.
Okay.
But it may not necessarily be obvious.
Yeah.
And I say obvious because almost I can send the brain. I say. Then credit party man one says so. Then credit. Nana do abo juma asum o maino ama nyema e koso kama dia. Party man one says so di one dance. But me say e sad ding. And that is why I'm saying that ancestor will not anything less than 60%.
Akoma FM 87.
Ancestor will not anything less than 60%. But and no any the referendum. So ama like I said, and someone more a canoe and sign no credit. A fa tuma na bloody any mesono. Obi amanu mfi say some race na sika kwitwi dia aba bansam aba. Aban pia free kwame kumam so betonne enya asasi ka bebrebe odi ye adwuma saada samri ena bibisa asi di onwa party no na referendum e wo sa nyema yi ho
Akoma
enu be gina Dr. Bawumia onya at least 60%. Enu be gina saada no so
I see
so
you have one political, I think one Professor Jones Mensah said this is the first time an MPP go into contest presidential race with weak candidates. I mean, according to him, among all the four, will be anywhere or said I strong. Whoever leads the party, no, he's still a weak candidate. What is our for the yard doing?
Professor Kofi Mensah, and Ramitieni will program. So,
yeah.
Context or they can't I don't know. Even on the program, Samuel Uku forgot about the context and he only pick on the issue not straight away or the Koduto President Mahama Honiadi. The context or can't I don't know, and I also what I call longitudinal analysis.
Okay.
Or share MPP presidential materials are produced over the years. And their public standing, you don't go to Abano. But Ubuni say, Ubiani wa Ubia of the 10 names, Akafoi, Unubiani wa. You see, he's been very subtle. I put it out long ago in a blunt fashion that MPP will lose elections 2024.
Okay.
They are weak in terms of their public standing and their potential, to win the elections of 2024. So it's not their individual capacity. And that is what Samuel Uku was looking at on the program. And so they picked the individuals. The background is it. It has not affected the economy. Samuel Uku. And only the messenger Yes, it has not affected the economy. Japan saying more for crying.
Yeah.
When you banibi. That is the context of a panel air cancer and microphone a week. The analysis is apt. Yes.
May pick the discussion from this angle. In all your points, or emphasizes that whoever wins, it appears me understanding for the Awoka. We're going to have a difficult in 2024 election.
They are not winning. The MPP is going home. No difficulties. They are losing elections 2024.
As a whole sound so emphatic.
I am. I'm not changing.
More than 1 year, Emuwa. Doc.
Look, the cancer say me no more 2 years. No more 2 years. Me na so aye ba ko pe. Put me fast 2 years na atwa mu no. E mesesa o man no shebre. Enye possible. Sikasem. You see, my ebu, the twaba a yimpany4. The twaba ni we are a woman musicasem and she say, and your mark can you now, Sikasem na deba. And your mark can you now, man, and in Abayan Koso, and Crank Koso, or my moon Koso, Nipo, Aqua Koso, Nina Abaya on man Sikasem. Yeah, Sikasem to Triamuko year. And I affected BBR. We are saying, sir, Nanadu are buying, I mismanage the economy in a way, a BC that I am presidented. Santina, Kofi. Now, going back, at the time I said what I said, I saw the 2 year another, not any possible. Because I've done an analysis of countries as a sour music. They took a minimum of 16 to 18 years to do it. In the first place, 2 years here, okay. A man is a summer anymore. Shakaya offers a pesca or call IMF. Yes, a sample of your debt restructuring. Scan him as the Abetos Amri Crabba. Scan him Abetos Amri Abba. Another graphic is so just to say, budgeter almost in the course of this month, a buying so and fan cutting down spending. In a way, economists have been suggesting that a bank is not embarking on prudent spending. A bank behave as if say everything is okay and Ghana still has money. Among for Kasafa, the size of government, the size of government, and you know, it will not happen, and that is why I'm this sure.
Wow. But Rebecca said Ghana for, I mean, how the votes, I thought that it's the different thing altogether.
A new different thing. Maybe it can affect people's votes. Maybe your quality, your question, 8 years changes now, but now revolve around our man. That means I don't cause so. You know, now the can't be breaking the 8, then yet be as a human and as I saw ye. Or man, into Triano, and as I saw ye.
You heard the posture of Canada compared to Japan. You foresee, say, a bassa when we near na Niaman Kuye as is expecting or best split MPP party nana.
Only son who did agent, so a member of the party.
Okay.
Only the team knows so far, me BBR, me BBR, HSS, be free party. No. Only almost answering himself, almost free party no more. They will be very weak, and that will be the beginning of the end of almost BBR on betting ABR. Almost sounding side in the canal. Party no own film china. When you say party no move, and I pay Janos. When I'm party no move, and I pay big number of china. He's not leaving the party. It was a bad mistake Alante Martin made by leaving the party. Whoever advised on that gave a very bad advice. It was a very bad advice.
Basanka Alan Okoya, would he have made any difference in terms of say winning?
Encore could have been a different thing. One thing say encore could have been a different thing. But still, I know that's what you could move to a party.
Okay. Wow.
What free party is no longer going to be, significant in Ghanaian politics. Some political scientists was talking about personalities and other things. I'm challenging everybody. Alan a free party, you don't sure what his political fortunes are going to be. when you politics a time and a man some year can in a better one answer a time.
Wow.
Let's see what is going to happen to Alan Chematin. He's fading out in the Fourth Republic, in Cancer, Aka, Safoni na Omunine free Omu Party mu Obeda Samoa, and nothing is going to work for them. It's not going to change in the case of Alan. I don't expect and I would not advise Ken to contemplate Sophie Party Mumu. He shouldn't. He has invested so heavily in the party himself. He has. Kofi Makoi. Ono monyadi ena onam amanyosem so eganedi. And I think the party should listen to him and pay serious attention to issues always.
Other conspiracy theories, EGD says Alan teaming up with Canadian Compre Japan, they will cause a serious political changes over this year's 2024 election. Sana uhuno.
It's an interesting thing. In other countries, it might work. Bibisa Asipen. Benin, Omo politics near dynamic, Papa. Omo politics near dynamic. Individuals, P, ABD, Nkunim, I see some elements of conservatism in Ghana. And yet, and ordinary conservatism is simply because of institution building. In political parties, MPP, maybe a free, actually, and be do maybe a OCCA. I think Akoma FM party no who some Akoma jina hodin din ema party no pa NDC ejima edana kwame Nkrumah party CPP na hodin e call from bebre sa simply because of one thing, ethnicity. MPP a new house a particular ethnic groups ama womaji party not to, and to the extent that these ethnic groups are that resilient, the parties remain resilient. And it's the same thing with NDC. It's the same thing with NDC. The Uralan Chematin PFI PFI na Canada Japan so appear film. Canada Japan will be surprised if fit party anymore. Because the constituency crown, they might not stand with him. They might stand with the party.
Wow.
He might be surprised. Alan, the constituency power or party no Alan's constituency in the MPP. Somebody will say Asante read too fluid a statement. Alan, the constituency power in the party in a way. I don't know one considers any man in the decision they took. And Sana Ofi party no man as a Ofi party. He has not built any strong constituency anywhere. He hasn't. Here in Asante region, who was ready to die, but he himself, what did he do all the time now? Only minister now or something himself or presidential ambition. We saw how the party invaded Asante region. Got Chemaun to me to come out and do their biddings, and then got Asante regional minister, and also if anything, various constituencies. We make sure constituencies be Omu Nipa, Omu OGDS, Omu Bayo Jumama, Exem, Uro Chamabo again, Pesuaso, a catch of whereby who were seen as conscious individuals are buying on name. Omuko for a shedder, a do Omu Asante region ha. Na Samuel na Deben and Alan what did he do? Nothing. TBS conspiracy theory say Alan can Kambumo.
Wow. Wow. I'm surprised, but we take Kennedy Num Tima. They sound so confident. I mean, where ni show ni walk a hodwa. She dom we dinechi. Are all these people I mean, almost making impact in the life of Kennedy Akompreko Japan.
The DC ama ya referendum pa on Kenya Kabepwa.
Okay.
A domino idina chino and I would say real support. I don't think so. I don't think so. A real support. No.
Now, what that type of supporter?
No, Opa, Masi, Oko Accra, Oko Ukwakasi or Ghana anymore. At any material moment in time, if I be bring near tomorrow, our money and I'm hot just like that.
Okay.
So look at the
I know, yeah.
Sorry, Cockroom. Omni permanent work, yeah. Allah. Every single moment. So what you throw through bombs. Now Udru Tech overhead bridge in Aussie. And then getting to about 10 at any material moment in time. One way ala airboard driver's mate. I'm on my medium car. No matter one city. We do pay attention to all these issues. Tap phoning in near Juma. And as you look at how much I was say, me here rally be. Let me hear Nipa about the DHA. I can mobilize some of these support.
Oh, okay.
A momentary. It does not necessarily mean say a bit translated into election. I was here said that nature stuff for no. I was here said that yes, for no. We socialize them to come to believe in certain things. This is a campaign we I engage in such socializing exercise. I don't think so. And if you know, a domino so a cancer, a real political supporter, fine. Politics, Nisumano, 1+1 need 2. You know, as well making another political science is very rubbish. They're making in our cassette before I cry her on go school that on India Oka. Somebody can rubbish it, but this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. The Munaso and I'm Akoma.
Just about 33 minutes past 7. We need Aduanaba Kofi Asante, Dr. Machibwate, political scientist and lecturer, and the Ennin aiding Komo on. Now may I admit the race, the final showdown of the new patriotic party. Now, Dr. Baumia. Kennedy Akompreko Japan adeni munum di ase ombija and conform. How will the party get themselves because we my dirty politics in someone Kennedy aka in someone some section of a Mahmoud Baumianum camp or Pare and Sanom at there Kennedy nom Kennedy Japan openly. In fact, Wakanwo ni Kwame Wusuni campaign manager or says omu renew or omu lusukra many MPs in Asante region. They will ensure say they will lose their seat. They will do open campaign. Therein Chema to minom said their political power and as the political career is on the line. Better than a party now reorganize after Saturday. Whoever wins.
A challenge. What I would say in direct response to Sir Asma Osi free Ken camp say oh say a maybe can who say a person with your man and in and say a 9-day wonder. And what you say well yeah I so appreciated the fact that he has done so well by affecting the whole system. He will want to nurture our ambition. That is what Alan Martin did not do. Ken will want to nurture our ambition. Simply because of these elections are be aware of 87.9. And maybe can play and I'll pay. And you have taken everybody by surprise.
Wow.
There are so many things that here. That's what I'm analyzing here. And I insist that the analysis should be done with a seasoned political scientist there. Everybody is not a political scientist. And everybody thinks that they understand political issues. It is not true. Uko Harvard University now, almost political science. But politics, Subantino, Ubia to me can be, Ubia Giddy said, what can be okay. Alan, our political scientists when it comes to more, can afford to see different chances.
I see.
And he did not get good advice.
Alan Kojocha Martin, when you
did not get good political advice.
Yeah.
And this was some name done and said, when you good advice. And you know, Yamika says, if Ken, for some reason, does not winner, that should not be the end of the world. On nature ambition, where is a good political advice I'm giving free of charge to Canada Japan. When you good political advice, it will not come from anybody at all. It should come from a political scientist who matters.
Akoma FM 87.9.
And then all of a sudden, who call election back up a national level to lead MPP. Now we give a teacher or say Pekopena and Udin Kuni. One Kunimwa, I say a crying saying, look at the impact you have made. Look at how you have affected the system. And then you tell yourself that you have something to offer the society. But from there, and as I action on Bekase, you should not be focused on saying Kofi. They should be building camps. They should be building constituencies in the party. He should do that consciously. It should not be negative. It should not be destructive. It should be constructive. But they want to look in some way. I say come out of consultants.
Yeah, of course. No. Babitria said he will appreciate knowledge. Yeah. Of course, knowledge is power. You obre and sana unya some of these knowledge. I agree with you, but I have still not gotten my understanding as to how our party, the party, not Kennedy, are reorganizing who be the divisions are abba, the attacks, the wounds are this race are creating.
And your race we are Nanado's politics. The exit of Nanado will bring the party back. That is why there was no need for Alan to leave. And Nanado's politics and I say party no. And Nanado's politics. Party no also no Kirby by electing Stephen Tim and by electing Justin Kubia. These are signs that the party is aware. Then Nanado's politics now more Akuno. These are signs, and they are signs that the party is consciously bidding its time to reorganize itself and to do it well, and to make sure the party knows rules and regulations. A very ding. Even aspects of Nanado's politics. Party Abusian former Alan Busa Sembako. How did we get here? And that is the issue Ken has been echoing. So on yet Alan, now on my coin, Emma Ubia NCC, not just the delegate, as a representative at any level. And he is right in sounding that warning. The same party was ready to use rough tactics to edge out other people, and that should not be accepted. The same party. That is part of Nanado's politics. It empowers people to go against the party's rules, knowing very well that they cannot be punished. That is Nanado's politics.
So, from all intents and purposes, Nanado has been the biggest problem for MPP.
Sikaba omanu echenmre bia. One, party no ankasa attitude. Two, omanu sikasem aye poto. Asem way, opese kwesema chine encounter. Maybe I have to say it because people might not see it.
Yeah.
And then I'm friend on Nanado's politics. One, I say party no. Two, I say omanu sikasem.
Hey. So Ghanaians never benefited from Nanado, the leadership as a president.
Or everything about him has not been negative.
Yeah.
But you heard the totality. You heard Omanisi Kasemu, not a lady. The Ghana force Omanisi Kasemu, yeah, and some making no credit. So Omanisi Kasem Eya. Now, the World Bank country director of Ghana, Pierre Laporte, or say for the past 2 years, inflation eating away among for income. About 25% of Ghanaians are falling below the poverty line. I say we live on less than $2 a day. Less than $2 a day. The country director of the World Bank, Pierre Laporte. Ghana's economy is not doing well. Omanisi Kasem yet. And plainly, and what we say, Professor Kofi Mensa, also the Nasem or the Tosu pain, saying COVID, saying Russia, Ukraine. And no, also the Tosu, Professor Bobkin, University of Ghana, only now one thing I can say, and COVID, or my challenge the COVID agreement about no Techino. And even summary, almost content, they say the government is not embarking on prudent spending. There's something physical Abanu could have done to cut down government cost, state expenditure, the size of his government. I say anything. On Tuesday, who said that that's all on one party for GD said, look, the finance minister don't try and change, not at least, and some change. And Tiago said we are ready to listen to society. What? MVP members of parliament, they were here and it is an amount. As I'm bang and a raw said chairman himself, I can fast as him. I'm not morning yet on him.
Wow. I wrapping up with you, and I have just enjoyed discussion and Anope than ever. My final question, maybe sir, I will take you back to Alan. Offer the chronicle now. Alan Cash ready for 2024. And Ugusua taute. Alan that's our basis or root stronghold MPP mu take Canada Japan or the winning or the nebeba. Is it visible? Feasible say bit him the Alan about back to MPP.
Even if it's a long shot, remote. It's not a funny pahuntino, not me rule out completely. But a remote. No, Alan, the personal pride. You know, it all the decisions you move from time to time. This time around, so bar a man for back can say, oh yeah, a strong man, on your principled individual. In fact, me the manual to be a cancer be taking a decision to leave a party. What name should not be an ordinary decision. It shouldn't. Once again, it's not political scientist when it comes. It be on the sun. One was a terrible decision. I don't see how Obitina Sanya say or MPP. And you remove power, man.
87.9 Kumasi.
So, Alan Kojo Chirematen, and Yadia Obehuni say, Obesan baby, now Oba, he will be a man of straw. What ordinary person. I don't know. That is very interesting. Anyway, Doc, my young Nyami your prediction for Kennedy, we'll say Dr. Bawienye 60%, you will be surprised.
Below 60%.
That is below 60%, and you are expecting him to get more than 60%.
A minimum of 60%.
A minimum of 60%.
Yes.
Wow.
And seriously, the party cannot afford not to achieve that. They cannot afford not to achieve that. Otherwise, 2024 is not making now. Ababe Dahokra says all over Crown Temple. If they don't vote massively for Dr. Baumia, they are telling Ghana for say one more nyadi. Someone more canning in anya no cre.
Wow. Doc, anopema mena wase. Nijiri se ibinyamre ni edi nkombo. I am more than grateful. Dr. Amache Boate na moteni nkano. Evans. Very interesting.
Yeah, good morning, Chamano.
Yes, my brother.
August 4,
yeah.
August 4, 1947.
Okay.
And yet, Amanyu Kubia, your friend, United Gold Coast Convention. In fact, Osha, Umusena, a year nationalist movement, Bibria, Aborigines, right protection, whatever, Munina, Baba, route, I hold 1948 route, near Baba. But political party, now because a year political party, idi kai te ya, na a year the indigents, a year, we say, JB Dan Kwame Nkrumah, Akwejimo, any omwakeka, ana omode ekope political power for the first time, no, na United Gold Coast Convention, UGCCI, yet say no, August 4, 1947. Kofi, menteme ho ase, ama UGCC, entimi anko first elections. Meka first elections ebe asha in ye independence na eye the 1954 elections. Kofi ya say by 1954 no na UGCC ejija. Kofi na ejija. CPP efrimu. Northern People's Party efrimu. Muslim Association Party. Just say parties are we independent for any free me be say something youth require not we are all under we're coming from UGCC to independent for any free more. All the other political parties any CPP contested in 1954 elections no. In South America all of them were coming from UGCC. Nejija the one party back. Nejija. Of course, maybe the good thing is that CPP win in 1954 elections. But of course, not British for no who said there be. Person munya convincing majority and send away to me a declaring independence. And July 1956, almost a quarter of a baby and also so CPP say winning ya and after by 1957 you be your independence 1960 your republic started here. Kofi 1957. Omi imagine so mesa come ho boom. Eno na UP buy. Inti Northern People's Party any other political parties, Muslim Youth Party ne Muslim Association Party ne other political parties in asa come boom and form UP against CPP. And also free UGCC mobile. Edini see by 1964 and Nkrumah prevented the Detention Act. Na opese Ghana eye one party state inti eno so ye den eguye Kofi de make nyina ne say ye say praye wi ba ko a ebu okabu manye den emu MPP beye MPP biewa eye after November 4 but Kofi whoever wins say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia senior info analytic for no air canon. Sebe Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, senior Professor Smart Sapon, on the research over the years in leader air canon. Any be winner. It's not only about winning, but it's about the fact say MPP as a political party trace your route to UGCC no. Omo history and a very bad one. I say omo muchicha political party omo winning power a ding. Tenancy a PFP, EBC, UNC 40 or more. Emma 1979, Oma intimi winning elections. Emma opposition a winning. After a long break, NNPP by the first in 1992. Kofi, I was say Omo a journey party no dajan. Na MPP party ni jija, enye MPP mankwana e hawomo. A be higher democracy because. Say strong opposition. Senka even Crown and Nkrumah no free UGCC no. Say UGCC ejina ho. Peme other political parties ejina ho peme a. Ebian kan Nkrumah kra PDA no kra ntimi ma because around that time no say other political parties no are weak. Iti eba sa no onnamu a onnamu sa. So they say, why democracy? Because some of us will not, some of us, oh, come on. But other political parties, they brabe no more. Are they not? Other political parties, the fact of the matter is that other political parties, no more platform, crowd, Akoma FM, they will campaign for MPP or NDC. It's Kofi Pratt not a CPP. It's Kwakubako not a CPP. But more platform, campaign. Yeah. So they say, your friend say Bernard Muna. Is it not a PNC? Oman platform has no campaign man. So, that is it. And you see, the so-called Nkrumah's party, they are not ready for power even in the next century. They are not ready. The MPP and NDC, the Omekoso dominates for the next 100 years because Omi are well organized. So that's it. We need a time where Obama ever had 2009 or 2010 thereabout. Or say we need a very strong institution,
but not personalities.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We need a very strong political party, sir. Whichever political party or power no. Say behind this never power. MPP bet me a checking ye. Say MPP never power. NDC bet me then a checking ye. So they say so every normal human being will not be happy. Say even NDC will not be happy. Say MPP, they will not be happy. They will not right enjoy. Thinking NDC person will not be happy. So they are saying because obeye unkwa obejina penese unkwa na obuma na okra a threat man.
Oh sure.
A threat man because you wouldn't know obi oya aggrieved. At least it's true. A threat man
because they are Ghana. I mean, peace. So are enjoying it.
For coming up.
Kofi
Alan Shemate, whether we like it or not.
I think with here Machiboatia or say Alan is the system not just will just be a joke.
Kofi, nobody ever thought say CPP will come to this level.
Yeah.
After Nkrumah Nyemo Yeni now Ghana had nobody ever thought to say CPP ever go down to history as let's forget about it.
Maureen Fisher Kennedy Alan Kojo Chematen on T political party.
Yes, a movement.
It's just a movement.
We understand. As a movement here they call LHC.
But it's still a movement.
Yes.
Others on T party.
Kofi,
now what can say Obama a third force?
Kofi after
there's not even a force.
No, Kofi after 2024 elections, whether we like it or not. To send the Evans Dikaka, I agree with him. And what the fact is, Yami Adumo and Mimi there bay. MPP for elections never determine the fate of the MPP.
Absolutely,
which is a fact. But so
move. I know better and nobody never be able to so.
Between MPP and NDC,
no,
between NDC and MPP, or reconciliation, MPP.
Yeah. NDC are able to reconcile.
NDC is not like that. But MPP said, reconcile.
And let me add it up. The JB in I think 2016, we had the NDC in the presence of a Syrian Katia, in the presence of Yamwapon Komiami Ofa, in the presence of other stalwart of the party, regional office. Am I able to tukra?
Yes.
Of course. Emma Seminole crowd that saw court was a bloody clash.
Yes.
Emma see you do reform. But
we
are saying they were able to recoup. Now the same thing happened to MPP crowd. I knew anything.
Yes.
Okwas was it. Manaf ne.
Yes.
No. Yeah. Manaf and Ali. Yabemu akọ yabemu akọ
2020
Alidu had one of the disgracing and embarrassing performance
in the
ever in the political history of MPP.
Exactly.
In
Aswance constituency.
Yes.
Obia na onkoni muntaka be head to head.
5,000.
Yes.
5,000.
Almost
5,000 difference.
Muntaka be chini mu mane ba be over 20,000. So yes. I agree with you, sir. MPP's reconciliation is always difficult.
Exactly.
Very, very difficult.
And looking at right now, party pay for woman in Nana Komoya Council of Elders and pay for the Nako could take his size.
Yeah.
I'm a we will wake up in the sea and
Cody I just said, is there Oko Frewan or Akutu?
Reconcile wine. That is the biggest issue. And Kofi, and on the day, the strong third force, but whether we like it or not. Oh. But you see, the point I am building is
I don't foresee that.
Kofi, yes, we don't know who hosts tomorrow, but you know what? We know who hosts tomorrow, but you don't know what tomorrow hosts for us.
When the entire third force now difficult. The entire third force now very difficult near the clash of ideologies. Osha PNC, CPP. So for the party, we Chabosu Gum.
Yeah, Gum.
And Asaba could be count.
Okay, I don't know.
Omunina eto and Koma line.
And yeah.
But maybe Alan a far right person or a purely capitalist. Makani fear has say no in a modern way of governance, no, and a ideological way say nankasano. A straight jacket. Anka unya China or ye solely communist and then o pushy private sector no emma almost so almost blended. So they are say unya nana adodan kwekufu adu afa beka se bi o student of Nkrumah but per MPP ideology no anka unya nana adu or implement free senior high school obeka se ye purely socialist your friends and policy. But kakra. Alan Kojo Chematene, those other political parties, no me and Nkrumah is no.
Yeah, initially, did we ever foresee say Japan will come this far with this number of people following him?
No, but on say Dr. Machi Kano say Nkrumah manfu ni edwuma. It Canadian Kofi didn't he appears.
But that is I disagree with him, and that is the biggest insult.
Oh, not insult.
Kofi it is Kofi. Kofi near Jumaye and the Kofi dim Kofi echi. Kofi Kumasan dia wono.
You know your supplement. They say
Kofi Kumasan dia wono.
Olusu na no kra. O mi kam to olusu na no. They on him.
Wait.
Supplement. Oh, no. Is it jobless? Oh, him are jobless.
Okay.
No. Special assistant to OSSB. No,
that's the question. I mean, you
also didn't know. You see, but
portfolio.
Yeah, but
OSSB been calling so Eddie Kennedy.
Oh, George.
A friend is saying, that's say I'll call why I'm supposed to call NSS. Why? Frederick Ade. Fred Wobaumia.
Okay.
Yes.
No, okay.
Fred Wobaumia. Some of them are more mastering.
Fred Kowa.
Yeah, he said, "Oh no, yeah, NSS boss, Bolga."
Oh, I see.
That place. But what I'm trying to say then is say, Kennedy from let's say from nowhere. What to me get that a certain number of people based be they believe so much in his ideology.
Exactly.
Into Kofi, and these are the people they are not from ND's number by joining Kenu. They are typical NPP people.
Yeah.
A reasonable number of people they be no move voting more. And they say kase kwa to aba. They say 2020 about no. NPP almost 5 million or that. And this almost 5 million or that. But this time around, Kofi, it is not going to happen. Should they be aggrieved? It is not going to happen. NPP, a typical of NPP, so mubufu obviously omu to aba. And they be depending on aftermath of the elections or more presidential primaries way. Akoba say Kennedy cast okay, let me join force. And I say, "Bia, mami so me tell me who." And I say, "Me kura me nye bibia kura na." Kofi his number, the supporters, the followers, there were a lot of influence about Kwakoto in the general elections.
Solution, very simple.
That is you. All they use, we will sit here and talk. But MPP, it is so hard for them to negotiate.
Because negotiation.
Looking at this time around, a more campaign messages near there. Look at the exchange of violent words and exchange of all these people, and looking at the personalities involved. Kennedy will not sit down for you to bully him. What I say? What come back and be actual? It's at the end of the day, since we move campaign now, knowing that the MPP for the year, about the reconciliation. When the Kennedy will catch us, Kennedy be strong.
It's not reconcile. A future new two. I was say Obi adding a pride tone chain. So they are here. Now, whatever happens after November 4, no. Me see the one of the best solutions are Omobe Timi adopted. A negotiation.
Negotiation, even for now, it is there.
Alan and Crawford now Alan must come back to the party.
Who will lead that negotiation? Who will lead that negotiation?
Pride must be put aside. Pride must be put aside.
Evans, whether you like it or not, and say you will be an animal nyama and animal fair power NPP. Boko for me.
Oh, so President Kofi that's all.
Admitted. What about another one? So you see.
On open
put an enemy fair you.
On open for now.
It's yet to be more
to some extent, Dr. Adokofo.
You see, here. Where also your money openly. And can say your boy.
Nipa obeti me ayedwuma no.
But Akufo Addo phone him say.
Echema no adamfo Dr. Amakoto for so.
Yes, but onim say eh friend say. Na na do Akufo Addo ne kofo no nim say Kufo Alan bias.
Oh, eno there.
So it's assembly of make bia no they will feel that and I'm say Kufo Alan Akwala nti they will not get that better explanation. About the monyam so obi obetumi reconciling both parties and within the NPP omunyo obi ananim ye fair conform ye sakra.
No, JB.
Amaka bia and then they yakasa ma wi.
No, JB.
Na ebia wonu fair nti.
No, JB. Former President Kofi.
Let's put him aside. He is a president.
Former President Kofi aside obi any who. I
am telling you, sir, you put it aside because between Akufo Addo camp any Onwa Akufo camp, on be feel say Kufo Alan and Tete Kufo
Kofi and make up pride assembly. Say the pride you know.
A typical of MPP, they will not put it aside.
Oh,
that is a fact.
21 put it aside that a better party no. Oh, it's yan fa de de enton che ni enkohia yan negotiate. There are a number of Alan Crawfobia, Ibia, ye betimi abo omo kehwe constituencies we no. Ye de Alan Crawford.
Which they will not do. They will not do.
The Japan so Crawford any day.
They will not do.
No, so
now
they will not do.
So they say any be a threat.
But MP say ba Asante region now. The last time the reaction of
87.9 Kumasi.
The
no, I'm talking about Kwadaso MP.
Yes. Kisli Yako.
So mo nyina esru Kennedy say obitu omo.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Okay, also the emotion no.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, they are afraid. And Ken will do it.
And except otherwise, honestly,
let me be very honest with you. And your conditions be an Kennedy meeting about Raho to Obia.
Obey me. Oh, if as many
they are certain constituencies. Listen, never be.
Share.
To be very honest. I mean, let's not sit here because are you telling me say, okay, out of the 44 seats now, Ekuta a year MPP no. The only constituency omu declare in fact no MP and open what declare Ken or yeduma be or yeduma at friends and back or yeduma
two examples.
I'm coming.
Remember 2 examples.
Or yeduma ewo ebi underground MP sa omu declare ma Alan ewo Asante region Subi MP okay
mention of
Subi MP mention no
say Collins no
Collins MP
okay fine
Subi MP
yes
and Asokwa MP
yes
omo openly Ashanti region omo declare ma Alan right say Eugene now ti wono Eugene na adwen say on declare ma Canada Japan be declare ma ye friend say we Baumia Ken intimate to Eugene.
Yeah. Mami more just 2 examples.
Sanapo Kobi wa Kennedy intimate to Napo.
Kofi.
On a said Kennedy already when Kaka said Napo is a good guy. He will not go touch Napo.
Mami maybe I can bet me a 2 MP. Let me tell you why. Tepa. Second case over 2 MP. If Tepa, I'm coming. If Tepa, MP is winning. Not second case over 2 MP. They are certain constituencies. They are very formidable. Listen, they are very constituencies. They are very formidable. The only thing, oh, T. I'm coming. I'll tell you.
Everybody say, and I everybody say it was a force majeure from that is what you need to know.
Let me tell you.
Evans, 1 minute. Hold on, just a minute.
Yes, Gloria.
Yes, I mean Gloria and so a very nice perspective.
Yes. Fine girl,
fine girl with beer.
No, they don't share you on. My meals are left to know. Oh, fantastic. Joey and your question.
Time, time, my no to home for power. Papa, we guy, power. Okay.
What's your dad? What's your musana? Gloria, Kofi. Bibi, I find there.
Yeah,
me anytime on Kobo.
And I'm a just non perfect time Herbal Center as say Emma Akoma 87.9 FM 84. Aya pomade home como and I'm new bed. I said the money that time Herbal Center yes ye no miensa. Aya time Herbal measure and a capsules now fame time Herbal measure. Made for the doctor number na friend now who may so 027 0244 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 0244 417 669. Ne brain my enkomo ayedi ye sha every time heba mesha me ka say obi say nanum atu ontimi enidi aduane esi nanum ani ordinance tapotapo so sa o chende wobo organ we aduane ne so fi say ekoma nkasa de enka otibi woni yemo nanso nanum no and I have something which is there. Fisa when it appear tete, or be because appetite on when it be out, dibedi. Minias were no pan out so, and a winter mini dear, and Yano Dranny pass when I was a Dranny corner, and ya me when it dear me doffle word do a time about Mr. Time about Mr. Bora Heba shop, chemical shop. Baby, a 2 draw piano, Conacoya time about Mr. Nanum, the door, one more at 2 and one would down with me deep palm. One I don't know who didn't know now woman so be brave, woman so be brave, as I just said, Yariana, as see or Yariana. Akwasha baby a do nyano na e free honum e de amawo fisa obadun so bebre na ne fa odun so nim na e pie mi ka say obin so say na nasa no atatai pa wutimi hwa kwabra na nasa wo chen de yabo ni dua 10 years na nso ne dua ne yabo no eye ni mogya no e na ablock mogya entimi eni afisa ne ye hye ne nso ma me say akoma no abrabia ebo mogya don sa to wa akoma say bo say eye adwuma pa hoden so na nso wo ye na adwuma no na say umogya no eye ka ne say u veins no o capillaries o entrance no se emu esisia mojan entimi nko sa srade agye wuntini aboso a mojan entimi nko enti eba ne sa so amedofo ene ya na ema waposo eye wuja na honam ye omemremre unante kwa ha ne ha no wabre obi wo fa enso ene bucket kra akodwa na aya asem se fe ne honam no ene mremre otsas na opede ni mu a gye eso ni mu onante kakra na ani so ebiri no medofo wado eye time heba mixture time heba mesha kayoza time no time bora heba shop chemical shop baby etu adro bia omai modia wonsa beka bi wa feature ho drugstore na ehye honom no nsa beka time heba mesha ibi na wanom pa na abo na tutu malaria no ase e de ama wo medafo for doctor e wa homa iso 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ebrea mika se medofo bi wose chese aduane ne eto ne yemu a na ne yefu no ewowo no na ne yemu no ekeka ne chese wagye ne ho anje kran ne otimi ho oyonko aduane to ne yemu kakra be no aso ne yemi no oye sa obi so kra de sebi aduane to ne yemu a ofina ojana nan aduane fa ne baby na apie efa oba baby pie se obon se na okom ha sei no na eyi nka se obon se wanim no na aye furuban aye hata utimi ho obi na chese waso ne nipedua so prako pe mani titu be hu na ne na hwene da nasene no na eroro no onante kakra ne wapia kyerese ne so ate pa wo sha atade a emfata ofise aduane no ai wo se gina ho na eye adwuma e wo ho ni pedua ni fuel eye aduane enti wo de na wo se gina na fa obabi piesa na kyerese ni pedua no wadi amia pa edre ba bo na meduane gina ho pa ne kyerese wo ho se aduane wodidi na gina ho no eye time heba mixture time heba mixture kayosa time no eye ti emu ibubo binunum bi na ni pedua be gina so kama pa ebre amika so bi so wada waso da ye basa malaria ne ho ahomete pa yarewe yare funfoke o bitme so da ye sa 24 million sa na ade ache na bisa ho how many hours and what this ayenim na wo da ye ne so waso no peace na ade ache we went me ana obi kra de wase na krokro na ache no oda ho okobo ha se brim na okobo ha se brim na ne ade ache no ade be chu be hu nani no nani aye kwa wa chade boys ade wa koye biem obi so kra de ubos nani achi na afonfon chade ade mo brodon twa e be gu ni de ma ne bro no medofo wadro time heba mixture time heba mixture kai sa obanum time heba mixture na abo no wada no wetimi ada sumdwem enya wo beda ne wa feeling na enya wo da form masa abofra no onso da ye basa bia obu oho a wonye da no so saa da na wo bo pritima yam hye bitimi ba ne soma mintim kra efa mu chibi ebi mutimi fam enya heart attack me da for de ntia wo sa wotena se ma malaria ewiwi osa amakuni aduo wo abra time heba mesha e wadwa so se ebeji wakajam na abo na atutu watiri de malaria no as edi ama wo edro no eye time heba mesha time heba Mr. Kayosa time no time bubo binunum bi na ebe boa wo pa na wada correct me ka say pa me dofo bi se ni ti edwani say gaga waje ne ho anje obi ti ya ne ya ma na nimienu wo hu ade ye na na me dofo bi asem o ka wo se na ni ahihem na bisa won so obi se na ni hihem no eya ne sai na ni eya ne wisiwisi na ni eso hyehye no onhu ade ye nipa wa akira onhu ni ye nipa ben na onhu ni ye menu malaria na ho ahomete obi so de akọ hospital coach ba breman enu ejisa wante no wo konom wonum nura ma ra ne dem ma wo chedo ye pharmacist enso won ko pharmacy school da medofo eye malaria pa na tena wo so enkase wonum nura che ani minji wachinie enu ni de wanom bi pa wa pain toa na enso oyare de tia na tia de beboa wo na abo ni pedua ni ye eye time heba Mr. Kaisa batakari wo adoso panti ene ye hu kramo papa na adure ba boa wo pa e ba boa no hu say yes wonu maduro time heba Mr. adure we wonom a e boa ma fifretew ebo ma otimi dwunso bebre sabi utimi so gya onan na kyese abibiduro sa wonom na sa atena poye miensa we amfa so a waduro a wonom ye anya dwuma enti se wonom abiduro bi na hu ne se wonom ye ne de atia na tie wa wonyo nso hu se wo dwunso bebre bia wo so a wo bibi fifre bia to kyese e ka bibi na acho na wonom time e ba Mr. ni miensa nyina na ebe ye dwuma na hu se yes wonom maduro na aduro ne so a wonom no aboa pa na tutu oyare ase edi amawo ebe ya mika se menuanom ma no the last born creatures me wo ye so oba se ye rabus me from say no ubebu nsa ebi kra de ahya se ba na ja wo bi tie no obi bo ne nsa no se ya obi ne honam nyina ye ne ya ma oje ne ho a enje kra chese ne bo so me kakra na aba no ya asem o enkofo de na ye calendar enkofo hwe no so no makojo mu pe fi se wote ya opa obi kra de wase ne de no eba sa na ha eba na ni nansa na etwa oba hye ne se nyakopo bo wo se buwunsa abosom buwunsa enanson an atiaba foma na ka enansia ti sa wo de no se ekoye na ni nansa na chese bibi na atochema e woni padua ni mu oba wo de no wase eba ekloti chese ebo aba pa ohun ni ye eba kakra bi menua wo yare pa malaria eba oba woni padua ni mu a ebura Uma yenim honum na edi honya papa enti sha no so oba se wonse bu no chimato bi aba ho a edure ba boa no one menstruative free pen wonti ya obia obetimi akwa adwuma obetimi akwa school de opeso de bia obetimi de aya edron time heba misha
everybody benya bia to
ya benya bia to wa heba shop chemical shop bia to adro bia onsa beka bi no anum pa na abo Fred Doctor wa homa so 0244 417 669 0244 417-669 baby etu adro bia o mayimo ne baby a heba shop chemical shop drugstore baby a onsa beka na make out say time ba mesha na capsules na so e wadwa so edre boost immune system ne pass immune system ne benya hode eja ne nan so aye adwuma correct ya time ba mesha na capsules brema make say ben kata che pa be ma hunu se be man kasa ni oyi ne be ma chere weti sese afo wa ya kete chase entimi mu adwuma bia e ma ye ne nje ho be ma de wo se be ma emutimi peja na ne odi su ba na atwene tu kwa che kakra na wo say yes ujina men association anim ne wa bo adwuma edro ne time ba
all right
in the capsules bora heba shop chemical shop baby a onsa beka bi no wanom oba so no bi na ensese wonsa bo no na ensese oba no bahimfie won enye wese kama dry ene ho no engageable kama se ensansa bi na begu ba ne so be man sansa bi na begu be man ne so se de ohunam ne se ye ubia no kai se immune system support immune system booster oba be mu watenka be ma wojo so ana ensu fita bi firi oba ma mu ba be ma wojo so ana be ma emu chehwe mu ka se pepe be ma je se wa utimi wo se se de na wotie no ennuama entesa edron time heba mesha in the capsules time heba mesha in the capsules medafo
mame number ne bi doctor number no
bora heba shop chemical shop bia onsa beka bi Fred Doctor wa homa iso 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 0244 417 669. Kayosa time no TIME na time HH herbal mission capsules.
Catch your doctor CH no.
Mate doctor.
Get catch. Offer fee. Why?
Batekasa.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Modie bebia na makoto blocks na mudi siden hwe blocks ya mason fo edi siden ni nyina frofro ye tumufo montie meka kira wo se kwa empower super concrete product for so ye wo monema cement eco blocks mu ye de machine na ye bibia machine na mix mortar no machine na twa blocks no na wi ahye ne kama ana ne size no so de ye accurate over 6 inches 5 inches anase over 5 hollow blocks 6 hollow blocks pavement blocks road cave anase blocks ubenya bi obi esidan ma ka che ne say onko empower super concrete product aseye ehonom blocks no eye papa empower roofing fo a ede chance papa ye de boden so abadwaso no wa mokro ya ana kofa blocks papa pai ede aba ahoto so ne say ye free delivery within Kumasi ya obebu ya ne empower roofing ene di enhwane mu frɛ e was 0271 144444 ana say 0208 3964 24 Empower super concrete product blocks papa FA.
Era yankwai would you decline na me enjoy very quick fi hakakra show wallpapers any curtain blinds or the design in the hall and in the rooms wa shark designer why you form hall ne fair
I know ye 3D epoxy design ke me srew baby a free Alaska Star Enterprise wallpapers window blinds different colors and sizes over more than 350 different designs or design esa ton 3D 5D any 8D moral designs in Ghana ha Alaska pet or man for timi ko tudu pa ton wo ho fofofo chemical said treatment eco see designs ni nya na Joshua de wa say asasu we meto no na nsuo wase o me kai pa as a clay bisa etina enchenchen wa wo no nyina tantantan na ba ne sai me frɛ Alaska Star Enterprise and omde chemical ebe treat ye edi 3D epoxy and wallpapers ebe design ya had my fefenti enya nya me sunu kra de wo me mu a akamede je nkofo gas yo na one more important Alaska Star Enterprise Kumasi Adum Prudential Plaza opposite Hwa Accra nso Tiptoe Lane opposite Circle Mall and Wakanshi NS Chemist Danomu Ebene MTTD Fre 0200 281 080 and 0248 315 258
Metwaba oba trouble asade so metwa ma ndi obi so sa emfa usa intim so baby and the wa djuma
na wo betwaba
sa ye kota ye kokro motia e won fa so yi afemi bo eye tujumi konkro ba kope enye hwe ye di tujumi no ba mo dia monje
an ye nyina ye betwaba
so we don't be passing because tujumi no ba Ghana 3 to 5 years the sister the call
so when you about to home fast one
Ghana sister mamisa o man your friend who sick mind pen for the other one in so man your friend who sick mind then that about you here mind I am not your body
I was about to you media so any man you for be din komo ya busa won say anye bia about to aye to no ye nya so fast one ana
there should be no village or community in Ghana after the first 2 years that would have a water problem or a toilet problem.
CIA, I want Akoma 87.9. A drone way a copy me fiada. About no so abo a copy se no kuru ebebo. Then you from about to ujumedi efamao.
President Akufo member show down. Vice President member show down.
And I want to number and kickers and papa a family who was Asante Baku.
Mabatwo eso emfaso.
Yes, Evans.
Chairman. Na JB can mention of. Mama fanin ko his abakosimu kakra.
Okay.
Say na election primaries bi ho na wo senka chief Miami Nua Penny Collins Uso Mankwa Pharaoh Elusua na I think 2015 omo ye no Kenya say hotel bi ho e ho na say forces against him force
yes
against him.
Akoma FM 87.9.
That time in Chawano.
Yes.
That time no na me residence I won. Was Collins? Na gentleman I know oyene opponent. Ne ma na assembly member.
They say on MPCC.
Ne ma na assembly member for the area.
Yes. On your friend is a former MMT guy. No. Sorry, I say. Me say Sachano was against Collins.
Yes.
But eventually he won.
Sorry, I say. He won. Yeah, he won.
He won. It's not all the time now. So the panel was very formidable. Why you na yi wo fom ho a ade abeti ya nso mana
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Obema na boka e ka na bema na bo ba utu na dey
time omoye omo
that time is all the 42
time na omoye omo primaries e wo ye nyaso presby.
Yeah,
I was there. And I saw forces no mo wa ba mu a it was a deliberate attempt to because
no ma try to
nyabotre
no ma try to
giving you scenarios
mama men ka homa so na men ne
a lot of people within that
also timi e ka ho ase
you will
mama
men ka homa so na men ne mama men ne
kuma so anusu
me pa cho mama men ne chairman Kwasinti. Yeah. Once a chairman,
always a chairman.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Chairman Kwasinti, nempom te say.
Oh, my dear, man, we have a company.
Na, we say I want me young chadam who clear cut campaign. As a chairman, Kasampa, a Canadian say Baumia because I mean Shadante on Kakisa.
Dear MPP after by we are not delegates. I can hear you can do the
Asemu.
Yeah, you said that, man. Oh, your party penya. So could you and him a support to one particular candidate? The problem, but one the best one.
And no near some no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Different, you are papa, mamma, because
yeah.
Ebien papa o me kura no onye papa maame da. Saa maame da. Baomia aye papa maame ni apanyin no no. Enti omunye no kopra dia ana ezem godi ba goji. Esem ye din na mehwe ba bia delegate na e de beto ni nyina ye kabo ye move forward. Na me the problem am war party no no. So ye party panyia ana na ese odi kema obi. So who in bibia so constituency wo free. So wo region so wo region wo free wo executives. Which my quite campaign. Some of you may even support we in a bring you that some a win.
87.9.
So, Empire, you want to see, I say, Yamia do Memenda, the delegate in the Becca Sabiano, and so be a good yet. Delegate 200,000 delegate, yeah, a sorry influence, you know, and again, Obia one agony. Media, the fish by the delegate in the Becca Sabiano, and see in a cabo. No money, we are for no more election in free and fair. Obi you lose what na wan say na bia ye ko hye dem na police station for ni bia ma enti we nko fa to kwa bia e ba so eno na ye bom pa isi ya ye party mba we say ye ka party banya dey bi party mba ni for na ni a
Akoma FM 87.9
20 years party bi obi cheme sani omo ka obi kan manifesto mi ba mu acheme 92 ye pay MVP 92 ni nyina ba 92 mi to aba so I think you know a party in Penny for Obiano or Sabio party in Ayadia. You can share with us any ya formony Yanamo. So Nami Jamaican is a pepper your Emra Yamiaduma Memenda. Pepper your bar, you know a kaboom. Oja and I said me could you Mr. A and I be a chin there. Mr. Interest. Oh, or more penny. And I some of me will be a Mikoto Bank and I'm
yeah.
Who see you? Some go to about those who interest.
Yeah.
President or just on who interest. Okay, and you a couple near their former party. And the same you could do a change, but declare, na me do at them, we do at them, I my former MP, so whom
I Opariansa.
Opariansa, when you pay work on all and go in the campaign. Okay, I say, oh, yeah. O say hey, you say obi a charge $500,000 as a day. One no so buy o so you can see the money $800,000. Because I'm American. o ti ase so fi camp ba ko be ka kem se me ma ko gi bia be so be ka kem se nka bi ni kan ka o ma mi si aka ho so ni na amba party abutema so wo bi bia so hum na wo no wo delegate na wo na na wo ye mp no ye wo ye djuma e fa ma ni pa wo pem no o ba bon te be kan no na ye de eno ye ahwehwani mu politics a se free ba na beto mp mo na o mi e be wi ni a enye o mo support na be ma o wi wi ni o sabi o utie ne kasa na wo bla tren kwa e be ni para ato abama no enye dede na o mo ye no radio so e be ma ba o mi e be wi ni utie ase for instance Asante regi dede o mo ye nyina executive 17 ba ko pe na yi na mo o ye dede utie ase enye sa dede no e be ma o ma to aba e dia ma MVP delegate ne so o mu ni mo se enye ne na delegate no mo be to aba
87.9 Kumasi
o ma to bi ato e to mu an ka o mu ni o mo ko to aba ma no enye dede e bia Canada mo se e bia o ye ba o mi amo ye no be si delegate no o mu ni o mo ko to aba ma no delegate o mo ka cha ye mpo ye constituency executive no o mu ni o mo ko pa so mi o form na constituency a o ni no di ase for no be ye fine o mu o platforms and o ma connect o mo to national platform ye polling station for coordinators for nti o mo aba we o mo ko to no o mu ni o mo ko to ama no enye dede na o mo ye na bonten no so na yempaya ya bonze Kofi Nyankopon onum MPP Nyankopon onto supergu MPP so na nke benya kula na nke memenda no muto abawi egezio do so no bia Akoma emra for me nyina nkabo se sabio we bete no Kofi e papa obi o so oye politics na ni da ho obi o so oye politics sabio na grimu da ho o timi nkan jaso di baba akwa na bienu ntena ho o ti ase because anybody want to yanzu win about 50% plus one vote another boy you want to work on one vote ni ene de ansa na ba na ile ne ma duku ene ne ma so nti ye de empire ye bo ni je e dan be duru onye nyina ya be ka bu na ya form party no cause praye uyi ba ko a ebu o ka bu ma obu a ebu obi a obaka ti yentete party ni ntam obi be kwa won ko ne de na onye politician e bia no onye ni sika slam bo pezi ko opposition na wo ko di ni sika
so chama kwazinte unto aba
dabi
okay
me former executive
into ni voting right for now
dabi
yeah
me
akomko kwasinti pa akomko kwasinti we are se pa emre dane me kaise ede todwa ebna da bia betodwa se Alan resign na bishia wo airport na wo po che
me hope o ja me hope so onu de akunya no no na mpa ni so me hope say one only person ba ko no kwa na hiam ema party no Kofi so ati de make am enti sabi o wo so wo kwa no kwa no na say ba bonten e be ye ko ojo ye mpani mo kure mo party no e yo bi we bi papa o fa sika de dikire MPP o e na bi ma ba benya nya ye ho sram sabi o obi be kwa won ko no mi de no de me mbai bi sa de no mpe sabi o so kwa ekuri ye wo mpani fo Ghana ye wa fadefo asempa obutimi siesie eno na me mpe na ma me ho po airport wo no so eti ye nyina ye mo mpa na abaro ye koto de nipa bi ne ye koto mo so ala nipa bi no Canada ni ye wura vice president o di ase say ya abotoye beba ye nyina e pepe so na nko eno ntia me bimie ma no e support wo bia bajo so cause we are betima ko we are near you we are naka ekonkase no
ba cause we share say the campaign is yakwa uni say after memenda anwe amobenya problem e wo mo party mu
eno na yesre Nyankopon pae yesre Asante kunyakachi no empire sesebio Nyankopon be yadom ama program kasi bia nsa ama bio so why politics that doesn't political area there's problem but Nyankopon e di because happen kokko no it say Nyankopon di ade nyina e di bua no oyi o share inside be dia boy na we oyi so na MPP without MPP there's no Ghana because MPP the back Ghana she said niema it's ye problem I to yi e Ghana go na to ye so America wo kwa e mo ayedin o di ase o ko vetia edin country chin bebre na na so by first 4 years na ye the trade na niema bo ayedin kakra MPP antimi anye NDC le betimi aye omi emu say won ba MPP antimi anye Ghana NDC betimi aye Ghana se ye nyina ekokutu banim ye di abu ada bompa say manya MPP for betimi aye na ege enso say na ye ato wo ade se se bo enti ye tu ke me fa say ba omi ana say na ku buado ye ko fa goma ama aba ama oba reverse ma dollar na akote peso ana it will never happen enye juma e be say west o just say na ye bon pa say ye nia internal election ye yankopon e to super gusa man na so nduaba na Ghana for titi e wo MPP ko no o mo tinya yo na man ebe ye mesre MPP from Ben for the Kasakiki e say last days are dangerous Kasakiki ni men training ye di ye kwantem no e say ye be ni jai
now yamra Asante region mo ankasa mo MPs a tuedi one candidate chi Kennedy avow say whatever happens ebinim ho a obeye campaign etia o mo puso e dey na wo hwe animu o mo primary si
and ye me na ebin na me ka say you should be back with no ya nya de cause ne say so obeye campaign kura na constituency ko your campaign the one say Ghana for na say ye brand e dey ehwe animu ade yo so ehwe animu ade yo the year can you understand Sabio MPs, you know, almost because if you do me good, I will do you good. If you do me bad, I will do you bad. But and only ever one by the matter than it happy. So say Ubi and Timikuka, Ubi Funkuma, men Funga, may the mimic no. Yeah, I said that the men, you are gonna be where I'm beginning. Only baby Akoma FM. You bet me Akono, and Nakasa. So see about we na ewura ba omi abewini a aye ti ame ame ko fie kra o di ase e na party for kana ni ka wa bo the party yon on pese party na e be say oh you ba omi so wono so mo a wo di abo party ono so pese party na be say o di ase enti mi am fi say ye wie ni we asomdwe mu a say you know kwa campaign tia MPs na yenya campaign tie ni na so beka na me de me say MPs me de e so mu ye OP contest obia o party ni de qualify ye man kwan ma on contest bi yen kwa ye on post we de oboa na agara bi oboa on constituency no nko kina ni ento no so aba to na onwini anu aba hard working no aba ye kuma say ye ma obi nko on post ni ade ne de me fi say nyade papa so anu na dey bo home pa say hello
now chairman yenhwe one thing o ban nsem a akoso chairman sabonsu the various MPs ene niema hodo a ekoso chairman untumi ohurudwam ekoba ne ade a obi bisa se enti mo constituency chairman the last time I take kwa ne birum kra jijiska 50,000 says kadije no you've been there before the omo kan nya no kre
let's get it obi atua bi o obi atua bi na bia no obi dia su chairman that dey there why is it politics NDC MPP dia and the area internal election na police agent kwa so we constituency chairman ugo ye ko to so ba uzu tia bi I'm free muda. President, because you know, yes, and the electoral college in the man, any public metroaba. Who just, I'm not, the same thing. Who just, you can train it from A to Z. Obia Chiabi. Who just, about me, Chiabi, Canada Chiabi. Who just, only say, Ebiano obedience to Chiabi. And then, just got your idea, and this is one go away. Obia Chiabi, your mama. odi ọmọ fantasy yẹ sọ ọmọ police station fọ no nipa ọmọ na electoral college ni so twẹn yẹn deɛ no odi ati ọmọ obi a jabẹ 40 Ghana ọmọ fantasy the whole Ghana esi kaka si pa esi kaka ni deɛ twɛn na ɛsɛ kyɛn maa fọ no ɛsɛ bi mi na mi nsa mi yɛ kɔtɔ mi so aba as constituency kyɛn maa no police station fọ jɛ mi kasa mi nso mi kɔtɔ obi deɛ no bɛma mi ɛyi transport wa mi fi sɛ ɛnyɛ ne bɔ ne mu a ɛnyɛ ne bɔ ne mu sikatua ne deɛ masa nti bɛrima wosi so ano ayere ho apeska ɔnhwɛ a ɛbi kora yɛ kɔ yɛbɛka sɛ yɛbɛgye bribe na otua bi akɔ yɛnyɛ bribe wɔ abɛka politics ho wotumi nyim firim
I see nti sika nso etimi ɛsesa delegate na adwen wɔ baabi ana
mi kora mi hu no MPP mu yeti sɛ iskadi anka 207 kala nyini mi fancy o 207 sɛ dɛ iskadi ankala nyini ọmọ bẹ jí sika no that ọmọ ntoma
oh we are sure
the delegate na decided some better no o pa tia trillion on beto atia
sa
me na me ka kiro da wo mama da nya better sa o MPP delegate no ye mo ye ni na ye shovejo ọmọ decide awie o ọmọ decide awie enye sika na be influence won na me ka kiro enye sika na be david enye sika na be ani say ko tamale afoko ene ayi fede wale mo
Akoma FM 87.9
sika ko dia ka foko anwini aba no na die kan say yam bringe Kofi company na Nado company together yam form one government one party
okay
o ti ase ena ye mini tamado card mu na yes ade no mini tamado card o de no mo ye di sade be yes ade no enye sika na se ni sika di ngase say go mu ni tia gase enso so luzui odi ase ade na de delegate no me say me no ka say me nda no we nim aka 2 days but delegate no mo decide awie it can never convince
delegate na decided the obey ni awie
o delegate na decide awie well you die bi ayekwa o pa trillion o meje
87.9 Kumasi
Atampa no Kofi make akiro
sa
o ma decide awie delegate afi no be decide ya be esemo esipu e be ba nyina nya no kore esi delegate no ma decide awie yo mo de ma no mu nim yo mo de o ma decide awie
chairman for ne MPs omo wa influence e ba de say na omo ba be kasa omo timi esam adwen e wo ni ba bi
ai yewura o se sam yewuku na okoye okoshia delegates bi wo the constituency wo ba ko comments bi o make na me to me kwa na enyama me but the American say delegate no aba na omokoto na MPC no any chairman for no influence and they mean for influence you that's all money so am ye ni pan and I won you to me that o mo na twa so me ye ni pan MPB ani o betra say chairman ko yi ni pan na a chena o mo beto abati amunti o mo nyina ye to aba na obi a wani interest obi a gofo o dia de entia no na me ka say we are chairman we are constituent MP o dia de na say we you because ni par mo na mu yi wo it's quiet no obetuma ye campaign or constituency wo to am general radio station ye dika ye dey no sade na na because ni bana o koto abani bi wo dika dike o stand ya ama one particular candidate nja bana ye koto no enye free and fair abana enye secret voting o ja sami me kwesi ndi me koto bi ma che ni ba sa me koto abama no ye gina ki ye campaign me say electoral commission be so da obi to anaba obi hu a ade asem no mo kan we enye secret voting bi mo ana me boa and yes, secret voting. Yes, because me say me or to be or they can understand one particular candidate.
Yeah.
Me or to be me can understand the ama one particular candidate. Now but a secret voting. And yes, secret voting. And then you person sad no it's true. But if you be to start politics, that politics is you one man you ekuyo o just say boom na so it's say yes you try so another you can be big so by when you know man no be so think obi say oh yes sisi no this anya man but me say delegate no them the body decide
I see delegate no decided
me na me catch no omo decided
okay
omo decide me say bia nua panyin napo ejina bi dia kame me resign as constituency officer abra bitu abali mako.
Oh, okay.
Oh yes. So me napo and the president in the me resign.
No, but as a man for feeling a papa are they?
No matter why you go somebody go nipa tina je wonu nipa ye ana de me mfa na da wonu nipa ye ba wonu nipa ye sabi o MP before ye koyi minimum Asante region and your airport apo but you poku pembe future
sir
future future.
Because I say Ken Napo Mazi Napo as will be Napo
Obia Napo it's a blank future and the way I was here comporting or just a party no Olympani ni makola obi obeshia obia no yes so ka obeka chero Odia say ti blank no nyakopon to super musoma no o ma na kwatenten o hira no na da kinye ade edanani tisi me no ka say regime mu de regime e Asante regime fi say e fere fo anu na what is we de deni
what to me as a regional chairman the influence our regime that's why is strong I chairman want to
and this affairs no and this affairs no senior party we see yan wa hane de emwa is your party panyin na obetima friend bi adoko foso wu yo te o e piano sinchen e sibu atimo moy e pipi mo nyina sinchen na akoye wa mansho
na se me offer isibu atin wono ana kofa Dr. Baumia form crab but as I mentioned hunu campaign mu kitikiti sa biem
picking form no just obetu adi na ki so campaign bi obeye na and for so go to me campaign for so go obetu my campaign odi aze no na chese we party panyin papa na nya me wa man show no that be the we am access no odi aze obetu makoye wa man show.
Okay, I think sir Nilana dropped it, but I was almost done with him. Okay, my mema or him Akwaba. I think it will be our Facebook Edward Osu Nyako. Or him, are you not talking?
Dr. Bache has some of the youth review on Jumaya.
Yes. How? Why do you say that?
Oh no, Kofi, your time now. Or check your time now.
About 37 minutes ago.
Well.
Or him and more, right? Yeah, more. Okay. Baby Abokodia. Page our microphone. Right. I think that so I'll come back to you with the microphone. Debbie, so Mama Evans, you final wrap up analysis. Nothing. Yeah, yes. But now
I was making a
far breaking news. We are a free
breaking news.
For breaking news,
Evans from the United States of America.
So boss, I mean, you don't break news like this. You want to break a news?
Yes.
Get serious. Not breaking news.
Serious.
Yeah, I mean we are. It is Abuzanfo.
Yes. Wait for the United States of
America. Anyway, Chairman, 16 minutes to hit 9 o'clock.
Chairman,
a serious revelation. Political term.
Oh, Chairman, Abano Omatwe, Chairman.
Chairman, political turmoil. Chairman, in fact, a shake-up of the foundation of the new patriotic party
from the United States of America
in the diaspora. Chairman, the breaking news, Chairman, and it's the latest survey, and not even a survey, but a test run of election Akoso.
Yes.
MPP mo the diaspora. This is the result.
This is the result.
Evans.
Chairman, may that say. Chairman, by the power vested in me as the commissioner of the electoral commission. Akoma FM.
Fantastic.
Ahaji Mensa.
Yes.
This is the result.
What is it?
We are
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And me adman obema for be winning elections no. Onya we win elections no.
What? No, you are also wrong. You are don't premise it. You are reporting as a journalist. You are reporting as a journalist into Mr. No. Evans on your
where's you
No, I'm sorry, your premises is wrong. You are reporting to me
yes,
not about your feelings.
Okay, so this is
divisional police commander
United States of America. All right.
Yeah.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Okay.
After say omoto omaba no MPP delegate omo
no ba say omonto omo there.
We a test way.
What is the authenticity of this?
Kofi per document per document ayenya there. To some extent obeka se bia credible, but who say yaka say enye aban to na kasa we more or less like
opinion poll. Okay.
Yeah. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 208
out of
just a mechanic in a boom.
Okay.
Just a mechanic in a boom.
Okay.
All right. So 208 plus 60, 268 plus 3 will give you 269, 270.
Okay.
270. Unya 208, representing 77.04%.
I see.
Kennedy Ohine
that is 77.04%.
Yeah,
I see.
Kennedy Ohine Japan Enya 60 representing 22.22%. Now had an interest no. Dr. Usofia Kuto EJB candidate. You see, JB candidate.
Yeah.
Unya Trey.
Okay.
Representing
which I'm not surprised.
Sir.
0.37%.
But Kofi be say a very nice question. We you in the credibility,
credibility is so who has
I know that is true.
So man calculate adini ya.
You get it.
Because Francis are then the most one. One percentage is 0.37%. Can you imagine how?
Jamie, how?
You see, laughable.
And the other credible.
No, we can't send a mirror studio.
So we are carrying one calculating percent in year. It's a mess about other account.
I'm a job for implement me calculating America free.
Okay, where you but your son is a mess better. So it's a mess on the accountant. I'm not change them.
My rivers are supervised why is anyway.
For sure.
This is the end result.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
Kofi, let us exercise patience.
Yeah.
Saturday is not too far from now.
Yeah.
Me, baby, there's one thing I pray for.
Yeah.
Say Embra would do the NPP. At the end of the day, in Kabul, and there should be remember. Because in the Ekeka Kono Kofi, may I foresee say omoto abani wia. Na se omo kasa ho ante no omo ama asundwesem and dominate wo mo kasa mu a. E de me ho asebeba. Nyentokwa o.
Okay.
But party no mu be chebe jija. And that is what I pray say mama nisi. Because NPP they have come a long way. Yeah. What the ever say from 92 no crap on mobile and from up to now they've come a long way.
Yeah.
And a lot of people have sacrificed their blood, their lives, and everything for the party.
For the party, yeah.
It is said because
they cannot afford to have the
exactly. Party. Obi because of Obi personal interest in Obi personal interest in that party no mukwa kujija and your more massive. But you see, it will not make Emma Ghana lose. Ghana will not lose anything because it be a political party, akwa kujija or something like that. It's your more kasa to in-house omunyo munyama ye. Send a mayor. Enko ba say ekodu point bia ye pe obi anani mo nyam e wan PP mu na say ye nwane ntoa na Ekokobasi yenyo bia because for now most of them painful and notable names in the Council of Elders of war party mu ina no omo take sides obi ani baby omo wo it obi ani hon mo betu obi for contrary to afuto bia obefa and no very very terrible and we don't expect that thing to happen because if you about say your human yetimi ye ni ye effectively because whether you like it or not you forgo national issues and be talking about the MPP national issues or there are issues that are crying for attention. Yet to me because there's a certain MPP or MPP for me or more and I'm or however better or manaso. And by the Saba, yeah, radio discussion, may Yaman Punto, and then Kakwa Bank of Wabra Bomuno. We will not do it and you focus on MPP, which of course will not bring any significant value to the lives of the people. And that is what I pray for. Yami Adoma Saturday, Omu control my best dream. Don't make sure say Omu they can settle their differences. That's all. Okay, my mema Oheme Emeki ne input. I think say Akasa ultimi in your kwambe. Oheme. Bra, baby aboko there. Nyame adom nti. Na mo nso e. Adom my brother. Na nyame ase. Right. Mami too with so far analysis. Mami nua is a person so akwaba. Bema baby aboko there. Ya Kofi baby aboko. Abusan for ho ye there. Obi ahoye so ho ye. Adom ye de nyame ase. De nyame ase. So it appears pose political scientists suggestions predictions is not going in favor of Kennedy, contrary to the popularity Yehusa will enjoy from the street, from the campaigns near there. I don't know what is missing. Yeah, if you met here, what if one were here for you? Senior so much, but me person who post crowd they are going in favor of Kennedy. We've had a year info analysis, yeah. Then Enran so mene Dr. Professor Smasapon and so better so I more very detailed poll and so predicted nothing more than 26% for Canada Japan. Nothing more than 26%. Yeah. Dr. Smasapon the can. Sure. I mean the polls are why it appears it's not in. I believe said none of Dr. Smasapon would okay. But when says he form on his part, because Obian can be feel say or yet that experience when it comes to polls. Sano. Not this election. What can say nothing more. My man credit say he didn't go for Ubertua McCain or not, but indicators are you know Okojama can project for me the unifier. FM 87.9 in terms of Ubia unifier, Ubia obitimi the party na winnie the 8 Ninano, it didn't go for Canada Japan. Yeah, Okuja bet mama the pointers are or the two. So most unifier Baumia 69.9%, Kennedy Enya 19.4. What do you do free where? That is it. I can unify no near next one. Okay. Unify my Dr. Baumia 69.9. And Wama you the Maomo. Or chess and the pool that is exactly. Sana Unyano. But Yanokre. Okay. Ningina message 87.9 currently. So we MPP man. The only person I will be to me I unify and go forward party in Canada Japan. The reason being that one. So sha enipa bebre na adwin nyina ne say na Ira Lancash no you be a oye President Kofi a boy sana na enipa bebre adwin om ntina sa faction no Ira Lancash gina sa side eto so biom o hwe Ira Baumia nso ayo mampanya be di akire ono nso yedim so ye the establishment candidate oye Ira Kufuado enso a boy what you say we have no you are calling him boy. No, I'm saying that just so okay. You have to say me senior to me or me boy or me boy name. What you say do me but you can't decide politically. Yeah. Now the American say we have known over the years. Say Ira any Ira Kufuor side, any Ira Kufuor side no. I idea stronger you muntampa it be any credential. Okay. So what they make on us. Since so here time I shall see an Ira Kennedy crime mem. So te and to kwane wo omumi no side. Now Sani Paya, yes, we unify. Dr. Smasapon, man of 69.9. No, ne Alan Cash. I was no near Alan Cash when you went. Dr. Baumia side, near Alan Cash side. Now when you went,
Yes, politics of insults na wo ho pa ne kasa twitwi na wo ho. Ebi na Alan ko gina stage a omo ye ne sa wo. Any asin hori. Right? Asin especially cry. And you be ehun. Now, Yewura Bawumia ya side. Ade a Yewura bo ache agako. Enzo omoni na ni nhia kra. Any pause we unify no betimi aka nkofo abom. Yewura Dr. Usu Afri Akoto. Anko no nso da bia o te president Kufu Addo nchen. Ono nso ni Yewura Bawumia ni nhia kra.
Sir.
Oh yes, I'm telling you today.
I see.
Oni na ni nhia kra. Yewura adanimu. Enso ni Yewura Bawumia ni nhia kra because of a Kufu Addo nso factor no. Yes. But Yewura Lancash, Yewura Kennedy, and then you're fine. Tiazamo. Yewura Dr. Usu Afri, Yewura Kennedy, and then you're fine. Adenimo, Yewura, ononso Yewura Kennedy Japan, then you're fine. In fact, Tama no mu ye 10. Enipa baako pe and all the other aspirants you're fine. Na Yewura Kennedy Japan.
Okay.
In fact, meeting omuko ye nyina also te ayesi nipa 9 agangi up against nipa your friends and nipa baako nyesa na net ye na nipa baako na waka no ko yobi oye openka bomu a enka say nipa baako anu waka no enka yade a enka no ne 9 na ye the same party people na de na no mu nka mu enti ye kan nipa otimi wen ne aba obetimi atwe sa adom ni nyina aba it is Kennedy Japan. Now Yewura Lancash a free party nim on the premise say there was brutalities meted out to the people ne nkofo na yabu wo mu no ensa ne ma ni nyina hisem ne yaw our free party that was because of Yewura Dr. Bawumia mo niam omu ye nti no the free party nim ne party no kwantimi enkansa asem na ma Yewura Lancash akwotena nchen okoye Yewura Bawumia ntimi mfa afo no mfre ne da se opanyi mesro ye be hia party nim tie bia wild bust no nti to bu asemaye Yewura Kennedy Japan ko ani nipa watimi afre Yewura Lancash one no ekasa se nyame bo a odne beba party nim back into osre no ne kasa wo ka no nya den onto ne bo ase na nyame bo a odne beba party Yewura that is the hallmark of a unifier then Yewura Bawumia na ye unifier o 69.9 now e to so biem o hwe yen ankasa ya sitina mu a Yewura Bawumia ba bi ofiri ankasa north east Mamprusi ni Mamprusi ene Dagomba ene yifo kusasifo enya sa entokwa kese do mu ntempa.
Now what has Bawumia got to do with?
Yes, meba
age you
unim say meba unim say okwa akoto aba eno nso count pa sa de ne count.
Okay.
Sento kwa wo me no faction ente unim say count pa eno nti na ma sa time etu August 26 aba no omu di intimidation ene wo esremu mantem se de be ya omu benya sa votes no ho na etimi make statement say sa ntokwa na wo mu ntem no entimi nya effect bia wo general elections so ba omu boa e wo effect enti na kenya intimidation I'm telling you ka abatu a Yewura Kennedy ne Yewura Alan mo benya no esremu mantem no enko mo mu se be fem se yakoto we no we dey say nipa bebre na yakoto ye be hwa de eno nso no ma omusan ye 26 August de ni bia owo e de dom beko now going forward wo baby a wufri oni edom kase mienu e na eku as vice president they be say na won't resolve Dr. Sapon did you consider these things or consider the Dr. Sapon consider enkofu edi Yewura Bawumia chi nyina kase twitwi o maka no over the years and also over the period aye to aba 1 against Yewura Lancash 2 against Yewura Kennedy Japan wa consider anytime a Yewura Kennedy Japan be kasa ye bia no na ye in reaction to asema Yewura Bawumia nkofo aka na Yewura Bawumia aka and as Yewura Bawumia iraka Dr. Sapon did you consider that? Now party mpanyimfo Yewura president Kofi Kwadwo mpiani Kwame mpiani party mpanyimfo pa ye party mpanyimfo omu nyina ye aggrieved they are disgruntled omu bofu eno mote party no ma yedin e hwa de
really
I'm telling you on authority I am telling you on authority yes including the former president me say party mpanyimfo omu bofu e wo de ekoso party nim okay dey na ye Kumasi Asante region showdown work no before that meeting be see here
okay
Emma panyin no efre mpanyimfo bi na MP kese bi pa okroma na wo sa panyin anim bi na ye man panyin no panyin anim panyin azem obuzom say one major party na mamo na party na market 2 party no legacy be na muja party no 3 the equal party mtimoniji 3 questions obi antimi anya no ade ye chenye enu nti na Yewura Kennedy begina stage o ka say Yewura Bawumia ne chema huntumi say party no in the history of MPP some many fee ye ba constitutional rule president Kufuor mo ba yi say ye ba beto aba ti asem obi oso unify no na party mra against bibia na obi o ye regional executive na ogina simpie so ye campaign mani pa ba ako what ye yi kan no your friends former chairman for mena Mr. Kwasinti sorted o kan o see at least nka be ye din no wa show mu mienu no mu ye campaign because said ye be ya obi a win ya obetimi ni we ya adwuma said ye be ya obetimi so ni we ya den aye adwuma Yewura Kennedy Japan win sa November 4th you ya e easy say o mo ma ko mu ne be ya adwuma you know why because we party executive eyo waso die say we ya adwuma ma party no so what did they make you understand now let's say in an unlikely event Kennedy Japan be lose in an unlikely event which it will never happen. And I'm telling you on authority. Some penyufui mo cha no ada party atemne de kan. So what you chira obede na waba so ne ba over be panacho say bra. Especially when you have insulted him. If you create me go to the sense Kennedy Japan or you cocaine ni ya man cocaine contract say on and supply cocaine e wo Ghana nyina. And ya man ho certificate. All my parties can they no mu refi. And that you cocaine ni. What you say? How a kumsin mo the omokika another umprenum the omokika. These are followers of Yewura Bawumia. The only time I'm who say enipa na omuso one ye unify no oba abonte beka say me de me nko for de obi akasa kiroma e mo obi anka hwe na me de me pasumdue was time Yewura Kennedy say so respond to omo ansa na Yewura Bawumia e ba be gina abonte akasa ansem no so what you say etu kan Bible a o say munhwe mu hu ye e wo pataku odi nwan nwoma ye den adura won ho. That is how they are playing their politics. When a Dr. Smalsapon say on the unify no. Mr. Mabogu, Eddie Bim the San Twas or the year.
Mamema is Emremo, Yewia will come to the highest chance of breaking the 8 for the party. Dr. Bawumia 71.1% and Canada Japan 26.8%. Is that?
Yeah, Kofi.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Menchia NPP for nyinara. Na menko mempesua so.
Yeah.
Isha so constituency. Na memfa enchi akese enso ma polling station executive so mo wo hon mu nyinara. Ma menchia my boss Yewura Justin from Ponkodia.
Yeah.
Na Kofi, honestly, menim say a breadru na se party mu ana ku bia ye
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi e carry ne ho na ono ahwe a ofi se ne ho so ana de ehwehwe no party nim no ana ku no hwehwe no wo saa no mana ehwehwe na obi atumi sorry ede no ho eko sabi enatu NPP nti sadi ya isi yanimo Kofi se wonim se ensieda se me support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Oh, let's be a metra.
I know you
yes.
you
fancy.
Yeah, I know you are
87.9
yes, with it, yeah.
But at no point will I come here to sit here to explain the weakness of any of the other candidates.
Yeah.
Because me a party ni me say a party officer. Me nim said yesa kasa no e ba e betumi akwa akotwe. No matter what Kofi sabi e nyina ye wa adwen. The fact that say me di wachi no, right? Empo na se kokoye se wachi dibi obi o wonu so di wachi se di me di wachi
87.9 Kumasi.
Na wo kra na me di wachi no. Wo kaka bi na se me madwene kira me se am fakwa mu a. Because se waka ana obi amene no edi wachi akanti, I have to repeat it. I will let you know say we entwe. So for me obi tribal issues and tokwa ekoso a predate even the beginning of Ghana. Kofi. I think a normal is see and so for just 2 days we say Kofi, it is irrational.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
We have spent 7 years as NPP. Ye call an 8 year next year. This presidential primaries just 1 day out of the 8 years.
Yeah.
By Saturday, Bibia Besesa. So for me, like I always say, I don't see it as a do or die affair. No. It is true. Nipa will be our weakness, will be our strength. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I can tell you, say, nobody can tell me, say, only weakness, but our strength. Nobody can tell me, say, only weakness, or on strength. Akoto in weakness, or on strength. Adenimo in weakness, or on strength. And the kabum near political party. When I sit here, I would only tell people the reason why I feel my candidate is the ideal person. If I just want this, dear bad, dear, now I'll bring it on board, and we are doing internal contest.
Yeah,
it is not external. So I want people to see it like that, and that is what every time we meet Dr.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
It's an internal election. And no one, let me tell you, nobody, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Yura Kennedy Japan, Akoto, Adenimo, can tell me, say, or no Quantekro, maybe to me, I win the power on MPP take it for the party. They are lying bad. And that is why I want people to see this contest beyond Saturday. Because after Saturday, we have Sunday and the days beyond. So, say Obi, you see, the party for now, Dr. Smart Sapon, ECOS research. And you see, let me tell you, Obi, Maminka Semtro, say, I'm to me, Professor OK University. They be on me contokwa. Research, Yanyasam Kito.
And easy.
And Yasam Kito. So, for me, research we see about Ababisi Hormono. Media as a student of research, the best thing for me is say, let me pick the reasons that inform me this resource. Reasons that inform me that resource. No, baby, strength no one. I will tell my candidate to continue to consolidate on that strength. Baby, a weakness no one man. For me, whether it is Papa and I say Papa, it is immaterial to me.
Especially when I think Dr. Sapon has an enviable record of predicting right.
You can choose
most of
to accept it or ignore it.
Yeah.
So my meanness also ada a wasema. Me patch what I say. So media me baby obi free hey me see obia what troubles one fee. I tell you, who doesn't have problems one fee? Me to ekramabusham kakra
a lot.
But we continue to pray on people, say, baby, I antagonize one.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And me catch iron more. He's such a nice man. Me oye mrantia. Na me pia omo yejuma. After Saturday we have party work to do. I tell you, we have party work to do. Me and say akra me to by virtue of supporting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And adia opoma DM already so all because you feel say me mako choose to say Mr. Poto na dwene kire say ya top me ma dwene oh and no money be on
opoma ya
oh yes and my wife ka say ye tie no kai mu adan politics ni wunya
FM 87.9
what is a certificate be brebe gufie ankrofo hwe but oh, a man who sayana a yomoya.
Yeah.
But why should say? Wakushia delegates what trouble me oh? Oh, maybe amano. I don't see what we are doing. Say, yeah, the papa maubia. So we join a party home. And Kofi, we live with police station executives. So we know the challenges they are going through. and I tell you, say, party for are sinking some mindset in them. Say somebody is shortchanging them.
Because the impression is that man.
Yes, you see, let me tell you, we are creating a bad impression. Oh, I mean, what is the meaning of this statement?
They are worried.
One here, now will be so. Oh, and now Wasimasia, you say, or Bentin, why you say, and now Simasia, you say, or Bentin. At the end of the day, what are you doing to the party? I will call all the people within the party. Here, let me tell you, people are only measuring on minors. Measuring on minors, and I say, oh, I'm pressing so leader Akokasa will do Obiachi, we Akokasa will do Obiachi, and then a party mumpeni for best already Obiachi. And then a party mumpeni for already Obiachi. Young call contest 2000, a young call no 2007. You are comprehending Nanado Danko Kufadochi. Yeah. 2010 Nanado Danko Kufadochi. Even those who openly came for 2014, some Nanado Danko Akufado should go no one can. But you don't criminalize him. There is nothing in the party's constitution that stops him. Nothing. No provision in that article. So when somebody because Anna Ebia Wayna amongst the four no you rather any minimum. What I say. But I know, said Dr. Friakoto openly 2007, 2010, 2014. He was a member of parliament, but no who criminalized them. So for me, when we say an establishment, the establishment is the party. The establishment is not an individual. The establishment is not a unit. The party is the establishment called NPP. What do you mean by establishment? We are all establishment. We are all part of the system. But for the mere fact to say, maybe I use myself as an example. Go to my constituency and go and look up for a single soul. Say either me or any of the party executives has threatened somebody, say, because of their way. It is so beautiful, say, even those who are leading other people's campaign are police station executives.
Okay.
And they are there. He is aware.
Opoma Ntwaba.
On Twaba.
I see.
What I say? I am more, he is aware. But some microphone be abekacho so be no more. I'm saying it today. Nobody can intimidate anybody.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
So why are we creating a monster for ourselves that there is something called no equal playing field? We are gradually creating a monster for ourselves, and later we have to deal with that monster. And that is what I would urge all party officers say. Allow people to decide where they want to go. If I have decided to follow Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and yet the party's constitution that has provided me with that space to do that. If somebody has also decided to
party no say executives to me declare on positions.
You see,
for flag bearers.
Yes, silent. It's not say it is not debarred anybody, but at any point in time, Yana, you base on at the provisions of Article 18. It say you to meet Jinaso Eshemra enim.
Okay.
In this year, Jinaso Eshemra in a badia, never rules and regulation, governor and no crown, a Yana a govern an event.
Okay.
What else you? Because who to me any book I bear to me it depending on the event away anymore. Nam penny for Atanase. Nay, I say, oh, event where you say it is, but yes, sir, event in we are. That rules and regulation becomes now.
87.9 Kumasi.
And you're living like the constitution. So I feel, sir, the problem and Kofi carrying, say, they are carrying the provision of a dead document to be a living document. Say, previously, yet the rules and regulation be by. That suggested, say, as me see now obtain, baby I drone, won't to me say. But currently, as we are saying, with regards to the party's constitutional provisions, there has not been any provisions. So, some things that you can't find in constitution, why do you push somebody to follow that? So I think say any nanka bibia enka before say enka ubia cry and adwene say all be contest because it will be a bad assumption on your part say you will assume say ubia be say no, then there wouldn't have been for the need for a law if that is the assumption. So who assume say ubia be say now on also an assumption no, it doesn't run concurrent like Odiana. It doesn't mean that the person is a criminal, no. But for me, all the aspirants, this said the why not you say uncle baby.
Okay.
Obia wo kwan so woko. A freelance and mine polling station executive electoral area coordinators secretary. You reckon in Crawford say almost you no the crat abrams. Oh yes, so you guys should go. Let me cry make crat and sankai. But when they say oh you guys should go. NT meetings are no Sava Gardens, the no KSTS, the no Ahojo. Nina Kofi mean ko stop ubia.
But
koye Ajamu was at the minimum chama kusuro mo chabo fine. That it is not as if we don't hear all these things. But media
unko bi nso no wani tete.
Oh that be said to Kofi. Say your name kwara na te ho. What you say? Any no the whole relationship. It is a grassroots now what you say. Kofi me ndey ya koto abai. Yasa de aye be nwotwe e na aba say issue so ben for yemra. What you say? Na nipa na me na ekwa aye. Memenda biano. Yamne ne kwa soro memenda biano me secretary no. Also think a grassroots champion.
I see.
But it is all the beauty of democracy. That's right. I must say the last 2 days let us show to the rest of the world because it's the corporate NPP that we are talking about.
87.9 Kumasi.
We have not gotten to a leveler here called national elections. So everything that we are doing has a limit within the framework of NPP and within the 4 walls of NPP. And I want everybody to see it like that. When it comes to say verification of albums and electoral college, you know, you are just from Ponkudu Mada Roma. The album no abba me verification bibiana ubidi classes and nina
okay.
So everything is intact. That's almost say. Let us continue to promote the unity that we have in the party. NPP near Kamu. And at the end of the day, we will go to Ghanaians to tell them, hey, make can say one maybe can say nipa baako for into me for NPP winning elections.
Yeah.
It is true. And again, there's no candidate. Say obe woni I will say me. The media miano matching manifesto or them the party has its own manifesto. And I go for me wa.
Oh sure.
Yes. And you cannot constitute a party's manifesto committee outside the party. And when you are constituting manifesto committee, right, you are going to use the expertise that we have in the party.
Yeah. And
that is why as when you look at this larger picture, anything that we are saying about anybody, right, we have to be careful because whether Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, whether Dr. Free Yakutu, whether Akompre can vote your one, they one. But so when it comes to the equity in decision making, who they one, they one. And it's a way business and fee at the Ennin party now. I will tell you. And that is why I'm using this opportunity to urge everybody. Talk about your candidate.
87.9 Kumasi.
Tell the people, the internal electorate, what your person can do for them. What we are going to tell Ghanaians, what we can do for them, is a collective responsibility. Right? And I can assure everybody, say, state experimental, we will make sure, say, everybody say
okay,
irrespective of my biases for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I said a chairman the decision has already been taken.
Okay.
Unless you've not gone to elections before. We will be our elections. I mean, Kofi decision almost up last 2 months.
Last 2 months.
Aye. Oh yes.
You mean that?
Oh yes, almost up last 2 months. the aka the ABI will be crack at yourself me undecided hoboa. Oboa. What on about no dream? ABI and I so or pursue your favor will be a ho. Sometimes all declare what stanza. And any parzo, they always say they mean to me Jennifer. But we have other people almost the end a transactional. Do was who media
depending on how much you pay.
Media mean cancer, I say a transactional. What I say, if you run out, come be and be later. No,
it be managed
sanagene. Or dressing be our bed dressing.
Okay,
be to me, I'm an sanagene. But there are others who have also, and majority of them, close to 95% of people who are going to vote, they have already taken their decision. You can change it. And lastly, based on, let us be an amoka for USD.
Yeah,
it's not a pool. No, it's a decision.
Okay.
Also, almost diasporans, no. I saw external branches, no. Also, almost summer.
Okay.
Almost 87.9. Into almost members, over 400 and something. Into suman crofobia ni peduminu. Amoma babesi ani mama betray abama.
Into ba mo kwa mo.
Into omo na they do their internal polls.
Okay.
And to share over a nipa 200 and something, and no they were in good standing. Good standing will be a what you are. I would me to take a decision at local level. So on the 4th of November, decision I could take in Ghana. No, and Henefan Aduani in a mose yemfanko.
Oh, okay.
Then they take that decision. Into Muni part of Namobana Momo represented in Nipa 400 and something. No, and Yamu decision I'm baby taking. So the one almost 2 abana will be nyakeseno. Momo na sa 12 ni nyina mo kwa 12 votes no a block.
Oh, okay.
And no mo kwa in America, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya 77% no. So it's not a pool. It's the decision that the branch has made. And I know that other branches and also no
the same thing. Come. I see.
But for me, whether Dr. Mahmoud
Bawumia Canada Japan were more diaspora.
What I say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne we say ni nyina no. At the end of the day, it is the party that will carry them. It is the party. And I will tell everybody today, if somebody tells you, say, asimasi, and now obintin kwane ba, NPP bet me on power, the person is lying. Unless all the party structure goes to sleep.
Okay.
And it is impossible.
Okay.
So, what candidate was
may that say? Ghana. Akoma Jumedi Mamenkai mo said Dr. Edujemfi popularly known as Dr. Time Daso. Ono na aso yasene. Dr. Time Daso seven cancer say any stroke, diabetes, hypertension, high and low blood pressure. Bema umbo juma odo boss wa no ejemu. Wapon waposo nyina ayomra agogo atwema agogo asem na making opposite ye government school hwa uduha yes dan fe sikwana no dan efe bobode na bra na yenhwew je number na frɛ na nipa wo ho no wa mfa na ahua no obedi line so but doctor so de obi aba opeso hu no number dey 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 Providence Healthcare beba bi di hu nkombo but anopay mamenka you be anti-assess Empire super concrete blocks and quality roofing sheet. And thereby acquire so TS and say A be an hour per dynasty. Dying a mere shredder we see Diana. Blocks are training na any one chance in a Empire super concrete blocks. Your solid 6 inches, 5 inches hollow and a solid block so na ye 100% cement gumuno what? Be bia than aquam. Tiadope Bomodiam say Obefre Empire was Santasia Bebu stretch in the 0271 144444 0271 144444 now 0208 396424 0208 396424 I mean bremame na ansana no mame fantuja say 3p garlic mixture na eka will say garlic no ye chi ye de egu bottle mu 100% organic na ebeboa immune system ne boost no high blood pressure oba boost ani fije dum sugar level why kese abro stroke asthma ni nyina wo funu na ye brema yɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛyi ne nyinaa afiri so de ama wo Danny Heba, Mr. Heba, Colinak, and Samia Wina. Number 0248 928824 0248 928824 and 0201 000021. Na yabwao. I mean, Brahma me pesa me pon panel discussion no enter me phone lines. And to maybe a phone lines exactly 9:40. Pesa 20 minutes. Emma listeners nanso ebem na inya wo input ko fa ropa nyina ya menya Emma wo ntie wo mo ntiatiefo amutie me exactly 9:40 maybe a phone lines na abam na akosi 10 o'clock for 20 minutes no am kimu so
87.9 Kumasi
yeah
Obedra Mr. Besides Hibiana
Jebi
mo having is it the me number say 2 me the bako twa
for the sake of Enra there we anything nanka but my menya draws
now allow insider trading.
Oh now or started to ya we need that we have no control
but insider trading so they say
no be insider trading kan botiana no we have no control
I want to myself it nano and then I'm Mrs. Sam number na me 05 and so cry bobo and so cry to
ajebo me pacho and ma menche uska me pacho me was just 10 minute interval until say 120 ya you lose star 439 hash must select option 6 na what dial option 6 na baby say how many tickets and auto one ticket they are representing 5 Ghana cedis into auto 5 the more you vote the more your chance of winning now wako momo no allow cash not just one now you can vote now but and the JB I pray you win until JB ukoto ana and the idea to na and the be about star 43
yeah 87.9
no mama me won that's a sami okukwai numbers no
I see star 439 hash but we the reward for our listeners you can take opportunity right now star 439 hash not selection 6 so anyway mommy too
question yeah.
Yes, now may share the second one. Okoja mai, mame, the second one is who can take the party to break the 8? Obia say Baumia. Why do you trust? Still insistent, still moody actually apart from all these indications. Dr. Baumia and the bit me the party in the back end of Japan. Nipa 26. The unifier was 19. Who can take the party to break the 8? 26. In fact, this result reflected the info analysis there.
I know Biana said Dr. Baumia.
Okay.
Dr. Smasapo. Nigerian children.
Sir.
Oh, yes. Nigerian children. Because you see, say, you have 2 MPP Abanuia. Ghana for no one as a Quacotuaba. Or my money in an equator. Somewhere around 17 million people na beto sabalo. And the Okwa Montia. The Asante
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And Kofi Mobeto a year MPP Abano Ajene.
Okay.
You know that for a fact.
Yeah.
Because Omonsu Becho says a moto abandonment penny. I'm the Nebechena and to Abana Manonswe. Now, Okwa Montia, every survey at that Montin. Okra will be a phone to see as a Ghana for ordinary Ghanaians and to about the delegates.
Oh, yeah, for ordinary, I think he has a popular vote.
And in America, says I am an shape delegates, no more mindset. So what yes, Intina prophets we on my Itimo Muska, no Martin, say we never nearby. No shaping go for you. Then I honor. People do that all the time. Benefits money and mommy in said in a no so it because we be winning. We are winning. I'm a CBB organ Hanum. So what I'm saying is that the doctors Mansapon, I are the Ababa to a Yanocre, Obi who be a best in the sense, say, now going into 2024 elections, Gran. Your political parties bears a miensa, Omunso, and Kofi na every stream momentum. Open you one of the political parties for miensa, Omunko Funina every stream momentum. Sasre momentum Funina, young fan the same people who are Dr. Baumia said, the doctors must up on working. Near you know the Noqua, it means omu kwa kuche sa sire mo vote no MPP mpanyinfo bi ani abre se ono ne bitimi akoti sire mo vote amaye no sa nkofo ne kwa kuche sire mo vote one opanyin na wo kasa ono nso na be win no uko sire mo no ma dynamics nso mfavor no in the sense say he's coming from the minority group. Yes, John Mahama himself is coming from the majority group. Gonja is a kingdom like Asante kingdom. So what is the major also? Yes, your candidate Idene Kono, also free minority, which Omo free majority side will never allow will be a free minority. So Omedino so.
Arubeka say Ebra will take over the vice presidential race, and I say even to Nanado. Ultimate CP, a lot of votes. I mean,
maybe try me.
Okay.
Try me. Say you need no credit. And I make a choice a dom kesi from Primo freedom kumamu ndo so da. Sirimfo be kasa no credit natural. Eto so bi okosa sirimantemo a. Ye ni pay Dr. Smasa pon second. O de ne ko ho nso against Yeru Mahama ene adaka emfiva o. Because ukosirima esum credit also ho nso eye Christo sum.
Where?
Esirimantem ni nyina. Christo sum na doso.
Are you sure?
Yes, they are doso pan Roman Catholic sum. And some are Anglican. So what you say? People don't know these facts. Assemblies of God, nominate Pentecost, and they can it was 3 months. So what you say? It is our religious factor, no so and some favor yen. A yinsum favor yen tribe, no so and some favor yen was ceremonium. According to Dr. Masapon Canon. So yes, I should move yinsua.
Yes, about religion and that is out of nipa kakra will care about religion.
So it you see it even tells you say Dr. Smasa point in our yinim nukrebinim. Now to so biem ukos asre mantema ukasa ono na UPC seat ne de keka open you call 2020 elections apart from northeast Yoruba umi free. All the other 4 regions nina presidential you rekufa lusu nina Mahama BT yen e wo honom omu bia no ma shift every we say e no ma yenya more seats e wo honom na more seats na wo kan say me running mate na me kwa vote bia enye presidential na ebe inuo to me benefit more no enye no na me hwe no more ansa na makọ hwe MP de na wo say MP ni de otimi win ne ye na wo de ebe boa wa ankasa no a wo de wanim ko ye no nti a wo ko ye no eno de wan win ne de wo nka ho asem. Even northeast cry ya winning and this the able so what did they make so nya no now yeah can so mu nyina akogu sirema God being so good and you reckon in Japan o yes survey now nam forma enipa 10 ne gina onipa 100 obenya mu 80 e be ka say no Canada Japan no vote said the Yeru Akufo-Addo ba no ye no na no vote no sa na ye ye de to abama Yeru Akufo-Addo no now o south south no na vote dodo na free ba she we Ashanti region your factors be Ashanti region the beto aba o and na ya na ka me senior is a must say menka no your factors are man for the beto aba wa na setena mu te development onya bi o hwe vote or the man e commiserate with e na the man na your friends saying development are the man na ni nyino mu ba be ye den e ba be assess ni nyina na de ato aba last election year 2 NDC near little over 600,000 NDC is approaching 1 million votes our Ashanti region or stronghold the only a year betimi aboa when say ubeyi obi ofiri omumu na ayoma rechechere say at least say nipa no ba anya hwekura no obetimi aba be reimburse omu for all the losses over the years
Kennedy
for Ashanti na chief rimampon asen dompem enti omu tukọ tena no eno mudu no mte afedi edom no apem na sa me ya asen ni me masifiri asen so what you say ba me di akonwa wo otumfo ahemfie enka me nua paane na Asante hene otumfo apredi yakonwa no ene de wodi no firi asen ene bedi sa akonwa no eye akonwa ba ya tama golden stool ba no na nwumre ene no nso ba sa apredi no so what you say ene ye de ma Yewura Osetutu the first ne paternal brother di ne papa ba ene de ma no so what you say which eye me
what
the major na say ti e kire okene Japan ni roots e wa ha no now so wo bi ofri south wunya vote to go na afri eye Canada Japan na Dr. Smansapon ka kire me say ye de say nipa no ko gina abato a na southern side na bebre na ato abama ye no Can Japan call no my Lusu and I say, ye nya vote no do name Dr. Baumia Udinij on Monubenya vote no do Ediama MPP. I win election on yet easily easy so wait me I win seat in Maya. Now doctors Masapo and Sama Okano, Eshima Sokakra. Now, so will be a free south, no one bet me I win election amount. Ama Obi of free north a benefit here. Why don't you take Obi Free South no? No one winning a banner for 87. But what the mention I say. Na the Free North no and benefit to home. Now, when him say yes, familiarity breeds contempt. Say any paucha wa kunya so a I saw the idea akwa to supermarket say wo tom. Ade no the more na eche supermarket no na the value no ba from because obi a hu o say ade we nke bia ya. Me senior dem so or marketing saka. Oh, we dey and kebi eden. Ya turn da. So what the major na? And politically you must say it is not opposition parties that win power, rather it is incumbent political parties that lose power to opposition parties. And they say so better na ben mu a oni ye ba ku mi bi ma hu ye on share your policies and programs eti ma hu ye ebi wo kura unfulfilled promises bi eti ma hu ye enu nti oban say floating voters o ma san so ma dwen say there be and yen go back to ye yire dada no wa ankasa voters ankasa core party members eti make say voter party yen to aba because of unfulfilled promises been the account. So what did the make on us and unti you will always need a new face to go and meet any panel ujina now looking at John Mahama he has had experience from assemblyman Saudi Ababidi president and almost 6 million votes added than the chida da nipa beto abama no ebi kura ya anya lucky because of niema 1-2 bia ebekwa atia yenti because of political axiom na mekan eye den yen no so be den ebi go akoka no now you have somebody like Iraqi Japan what just seat from NDC for onsem sa babesi 23 years muni next year 24 years
now talking about parliamentary seat
yes a general
different
hold on entimeba so we say the Ennin emma ballot paper so da no ebetimi a win election as against Mahama or what that experience and Ennin ba e use serve for assemblyman to president na say Kenya Japan we say onu ntimi win because onu no dey no dey win parliamentary dia. What are you talking about? From first 4 years up to 24 years ni also ono no ne hunye at least ono there he has been tried and tested and who say ojina about to at least ye tomano and he has the strength over there as against obi and nim enye den emma she so that at the same time or sounds what the southern majority the southern votes ebe back on so hwe you rat tamils ade ba ko atamils edi nya ne strength pa your friends apart from say ne ho dwo no ade ba ko odi nya ye pa your friend is saying adepa ofioye adepa ofioye what's the central region swing region and the moment na shift to abama yura tamils sa adepa ofioye and that is why NDC for na hu a say amomatimi ayet some strategic changes for parliament ehun say regional balance emo because Yura Mahama eyesrimni and I know makwa running mate Fantini central region ni and na to so biem o ma hu say central region no o ma sa change Yura Muntaka ene your friends how na edusu I know mu ye majority leader deputy na be substantive na be di akire and o ma change o mu mie no e de one central region ni Kesela to forcing aba be ye minority leader and o mu sa de Kofi Amabua na chidi ni all through western nso e swing region et won omu person mu appeal to all the regions na eye swing no etimi ma osan wen ni aba no say anya hwekura ye du nipa aba bigina hanom enti ya hye wonu monyam to aba ma no onso ye du nipa aba bigina ya hye wonu monyam to aba ma no Dr. Sibasapon so otia wontie ni ye na next time onfa sa na ma we nyina hye na adiem no onhwe say na analysis na okoye ni post na okorane ye no so oye to the letter obehu the American. So what I am saying is that all these factors should have come to play and san na watimi akọ ani ma ba be kasa asem na kire me so wuntimi nya sa ade no ntese se nipa no the popularity amongst Ghanaians say now be ka chen say onu na betimi awene without considering all these facts are ebehwehwema so kakra.
Thank you very much.
Going forward me dem anusi no me dem anusi no ade ba akọ a ama Yura Kenya Japan wa be very aniama mienu amana be very popular ni nyuma obi ebie the number of people are employed wa for adwuma ene ne no kreka no enema amana be popular pa because assistance youth no be bre nipa be bre na to aba no omani abre say man no kura kenti let us try him what the major na say enti se delegate bi nso no ne ho akire no ofi say sa mpanyimfo ya one ba ko be ka chem so obesi Ashanti region MPP office e di amayen na ebesi ne sa ba ko no panyin no ntimi nsiye na sa panyin kuro na ese be gina manim say me nkoto aba man the candidate bi na the candidate ni ba say no obe ya ama me grassroots member e wo MPP me ho beto me na ye wo obi ono nso ofri Asen Central na grassroots member bi akoto aba na ofri ka so aba hwe fama ye bubu ani na sa Canada Japan no na every Asen Central akofa nipa no free no constituency akoya no operation etua no hoka ama nipa na sa begina ne na so as a grassroots member na ya to as a good grassroots ni so on free Canada Japan constituency na Canada Japan no na akofa nipa na free no constituency akotua no hoka for plastic surgery ama na nipa na sa egina ne na so na obi a ye call let my vote count alliance on so grassroots ni ya to rubber bullet abo na ni ase na Canada Japan na kofa nipa no sa etua no ho aka grassroots ni to one ma o hwe na setina mo sa ne ma ni nyina hu se de pan to form a wote wo party ni mu no onu na oba be follow no
for draw time no do star 439 hash select option 6 winya Vajo star 439 hash you have the next 3 minutes winya to ya draw no starts now star 439 hash no select option 6 you are good to go. And I'll pay Bombadian star 439 hash. Okay, if not can, then opposition period or Albert or Boasel no. Adam Fusini MPP and try me, and try me, then try me one. Okay, no can, no vote. We need to develop Ghana, not political party. Now upon the visionary leader who think about the next generation, Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan. Emmanuel Ajemai, no can, no vote. Isaac Sam Techi, vote for Honorable Kennedy Japan. Francisca Labi, Kofi, I hope today I will win. Francisca, also to be on, I see. Ghana Michael, Obed also, Francis Quatin, do say if Dr. Baumia wins, no one, none of mine. They can vote for MPP. No can, no vote. Okay. Also, Eddie, no. We about star 439 hash select option 6. Now, number of take it auto, then you are good to go. It's a Brebuka Krana, me wrap up, na me call listeners. Na members Dama Alaska Star Enterprise. Or say wallpapers design. The containers about 80 fita containers battery and then near designs were very wonderful wallpaper designs, bed sheet, blank curtains, original curtains, TV strip light, opposite chemicals, waterproof chemicals, stickers nina ebi Alaska Star Enterprise say Yawadum Mezanoche Plaza why Bank Prudential Plaza number is 0554 114878 0554 114878 na 0268419596 mami nti omi
unim Kofi normally be all more what ya na esre kakra na menua and more seems to be rubbishing data and figures Professor Smasapon are providing
total rubbish
good or rubbish no but owie ye no ono asan shoot in home from the foot wasan kokofaa figures or the northern region or the Bayer analysis. But for your information, when you tell me say other political parties or more almost leaders coming from the north, you see data cannot lie. Between NPP and NDC, on the average, we share 98% of the votes in the 5 northern regions. Woko northern region 99%, Woko northeast 98%, Woko savannah 98%, Oba upper east 97%, Oba upper west 97%. Between NPP and NDC, this is what we do. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, on the average, 2020 elections got about 42% within the 4 northern regions, right? But you can't try by someone free.
Yeah.
So what is the essence of Obi a minority tribe? No, we see. Nipa no kura won free hono was able to get 42%. So that analysis based on tribe, Kofi, it is neither here nor there. And moving forward, you see, familiarity breeds contempt, right? Now familiarity breeds contempt there. Nani enka President John Dramani Mahama ni face no the ballot paper so or the paper. However, if we are saying say Obi animuso aba ballot paper so Kofi menuti here and ask I more for me. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni dia ba ballot paper so da. One who the picture of ballot papers. One who be that?
No.
One who Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You see, let us be factual and let us stop, sir. Strenuous issues. Oh, my uncle will be near Fanumra Meurum. I some walker say you're a new person. New person, so they send Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia also need him papers so that and good. He tried to explain. Me, my imagine say me in fact baby will be free and yet politics. But I will say you reckon the acompreko or nyasin ni bio or Asante ni fine. Say Asante sem na de ba be politics there. And they said Dr. Free Akotoni ade ni mo anameboa.
Yeah.
Said ade mo de obo ehia kuma. And this Asante nti and other bear politics there. And let us go for Mampong anameboa. But that is not what NPP we are looking for. NPP is not an account party. NPP is a national party. And everybody who want to do party politics within NPP must get this. We cannot distort our history just because of one internal elections. Kofi Mpachos what you say. Sure. But at the end of the day, the bottom line is that who has the competencies to cross the 8 for us? And it is a one to me and count the competencies and what you think the good attributes of your candidate are. It is immaterial. Because another Danko Akufo-Addo, even the minutest of a tribe is not part of the northern region. But if he was able to get an average of 42%, what are you talking about? Kofi, lastly, jobs, job creation. Kofi Akoma, mu owner Kofa Akoma by why are they power? Because he's created job. Everybody will be our talker, our farmmate, driver. Is he not providing jobs? Woko magazine, look at they are providing jobs. Go to Kumasi Central Market. Ubi bojua kakra akurebi kwa anu akofa adem. So in Ghana here, in private sector, constitute about 92% of job creation. Everybody who is part of private sector has one way or the other is contributing to the job creation. So we shouldn't elevate one person to mean say he is the primus inter pares. No. And of course, unim yana Kwame Ntwi. Nyame fa ne crazy. Ye po bi o provide the adwuma power ma we say man yana Kwame Ntwi. GPRTU. And look at the benefit that Ghanaians are deriving from that association called GPRTU. And no pay sorry no nine omne befi ekwe adwuma. Drew and anajo no so no wache no more the san fire befi. We quantify the people through GPRTU cooperative. Omuswanya adwuma. But all this will be materializing once you have a stable economy and a stable business. Businesses will thrive when you have a stable economy. So we are talking about somebody to me created the needed atmosphere, the needed infrastructure, so that obi awo pepa wa hodi woni media or knowledge to me create bibi value addition or no aye. Minim there in job creation just one Kofi Anameboa. But we need people who have to create jobs in IT sector, people who have to create jobs in health sector, educational sector, mortgage sector, or me patros what you say. Bebre transportation sector, shipping industry, energy sector, petroleum sector, mining sector. All these sectors are there. So you need somebody who understands the coordination of all these sectors, create an opportunity for people to thrive in businesses. And that is what we are talking about. Kofi, what you say? intermediate me adeɛ wɔ si nyinaa you can build a factory that can give employment to 2 million people. But if you don't have people who have the knowledge, you don't have people who have the knowledge to run that industry for you, Kofi, where are you? Let me tell you, and that is why Bible told us.
Okay.
Say, for lack of knowledge, my people are perishing. Okay. So for me, I believe in the person who will create knowledge. Knowledge is value. Knowledge is business. Knowledge is money. And that is the attributes of Dr.
Star 439 hash, select option 6. Or just the next 3 minutes. I'll be to me at all. I think, sir, you need to vote now. Issa, thank you very much. I may come and listen this or and I'm pressing more time. I want to see star 439 hash, select option 6. If I show Winyanto now and there one to you stand a chance, but you select option 6. Or baby, sir, number of take it out to Dodona because the more you vote. I will be the Obiaboka. Obi the Aboka. What here now Aboka? Jebia Boka. Akadewa will be 87.9. Into the patrol star 439 hash. Select option 6 right now. Now, number of votes are okay. In the patrol, Ebiana Unya Enye Entoy. What they are not told. I'm picking possibly. In the pub, and I made in the pub 4. Remember, we are 500. Star 439 hash. Select option. To Cecilia, Namenfa College, Kakra. Me find the pub 4. Nothing. Memra drawn. So star 439 hash. Number now, Fred, our studio is 0243 114497. 0243114497. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi Asante.
Why na mene ka say?
Your friend Osaka Muzama.
Yes, sir. Mami ti.
Who buy his ha? Great Bible Church. I said no more. Bible Church for a Christmas. We bring o BC.
Catch and say that. That's Christmas.
Yes, now it's here MPP. The one more young. It's who we are back campaign. The one mark they are trying to put with the fear and trouble. One money. Yes, sir. Woman Angel,
Akoma FM 87.9.
Okay.
So
may I say for star 439 hash option 6 right now voting no basso you just have to vote. Star 439 hash ubetimi vote sisia right now unim say one aya to sisia na no between the last person or two ya no win here or two ya no win here star 439 oh yeah baba dey na we can see so na 2 by 5 ticket and one no to 6 egum sisia na yanko. Hello, good morning. I'm giving not less than 200 cedis. 500 1000. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, one I'm nene ka say.
Katawani.
Mamintio.
Me daspa na me kata me kanese. Use MPP. Menye MPP delegate. Ba message o mo say. Ye ba boa ye no. Etidifo no. Ene ya ne yeka. Ono awon so mo di Dr. Mahmoud Baumia chi nyina yo mo a. Tell me me ba so o mo nyo mo ho.
Okay. Okay, so therefore me what the next 2 minutes star 439 hash option 6 JB say see the aya no draw no basso for pen ni paper but you bet me ato see me ntwen. Okay. But it's we have discussions but let's talk. Star 439 hash I select option 6 now to number of take it ben out to buy 5 take it boom pa because why late until 20 time now wait me win see right now na memos kasisia you can just do when you are winning. I have just 2 minutes to do the draw. Good morning.
Opa.
Yes sir.
Uni Aduanaba kope ofiska gude do biti mo kwa da sofa.
Mamintio.
Ofa yankopon ya aduma Yes, Saturday by MPP in India, Akoma Bakone Ajambako, I got to Abanama Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bami say, boom, of a meal pesca bidi. I'm a Dr. Mahmoud Bami, of a Menyami home, a Dumakra Menya Dinya, and to make Gidi, a say offer, but in it na power cha, and a Kakanka Kameso, a Besomeso.
Okay, *439#, select option 6. You are good to go. That was an airto na menya draw no right now. Wow. Interesting. Mame here. Bebacho, mame fala, jebi mame fala 2 minutes na yema obi. Ebi no mo 2. Ebi no mo 2 sesi until dem obi ntunwie na we are selfish. Mo obi ntu ne de sesi a jebi
ba beto no mo ato no mo be second. Say mo should go over as a train with those 4.
Ento mo nto makakra nto.
I better say me to 4. That is 4 tickets.
0 to 4 tickets.
That is 20.
And obi nso nto 5 6 10 tickets. Right now. What mama makwana nipa just 1 minute. Selectors not to nyakakras or even 20 cities crowd or momo accounts no so Fabra beg 500 cities right now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
Your friend Nana Pempe.
Mami too.
I'm say Kennedy Nipana Okasano. He said Mama Nabomi. Say omuye delegate ni opubi wo so mpasi CA. We delegate ya ofra no wabo constituency awo osime mudi by big club mudi omo free no kuponi bi free omo free ni Asante region omo for out of 100 you know is 8%. Baunya 31 na me Saturday Ghana sunbe yi me see surprise the to Ghana ko fi record me to
Mate adevo sa wo dial *439# na pop up no delay akọ o natsan wasan dial wakọ *170 no wakọ number 6 no wakọ approval ebe mo approval no approve number of ticket no sabre there or just 1 minute I'll be to we any delay co approval na approve na yenko *439# select option 6 you're good to go. Mamin Father's caller, good morning. Yeah, when you?
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But we only para what you are now. You can't say I'm a parent to abandon. He no for no. Nana go for the betman. Yes, hello, now. 2020 now. But you know what?
Okay, may I say good morning. When you? It was. I mean to you.
Papa and some.
Okay, I tell you one part. So I think you are good. You are late. Ma yen vote *439# option 6. Who are the winners? 1, 2, 3. Go! Our first winner. Another one 05599096 the last digit is kept there. JB.
Akoma FM 87.
Another one number 02462286 that is the last. Then the last winner for the day. Okay, *439# option 6 at table. 1 minute. Edipa 2 narini. I count the last winner. Then we are going. Yeah, give me. 1, 2, 3. Hey, give me 20 minutes. Yeah, cannot. At table moment. Okay. Right. They be worrying. And then they worrying. 05916168. Me ba cho manya scan of phone is straightforward and yeah, fast Dama Provident Healthcare Your tramway machines, your equipment, and even in our and of a day, so ya dear near the treaty war. Provident Healthcare 7 Country say you have the greatest opportunity. So we are promoting prostate cancer, malaria, all kinds of yadiabia, especially skin disease for any natural Provident Healthcare. Na yemwa agogo station where Obsigana Commercial Bank, that is Konongo. Kumasi de Aswase opposite St. Teresa's Catholic Church. Aswase opposite St. Teresa's Catholic Church. Na bibia timi akoso e de amount. Your number is 0248 4228 64 0248 4228 64 and 0506 830210 na eniema akoso e de amount. Ebisafo omona aboaye ma ye de Ghana Akoma dwumadie ma ebaye. Bidimafo eba clinic a stroke, diabetes, hypertension, poor erection, yari bia for each doctor time that so non for time and to yadi and so na bibia enko ye anopay omona boy na winners no ma me no omo eni nkomo na fei JB minya omo na I think say right good. Okay, manager birthday dedication.
87.9 Kumasi.
Another pay na fe ya wrap up na Tony Best and fa ni jumedie and twamoso. Right. Happy birthday Nkoma Kensford also and Sam manager GCR Credit Union. And they your birthday. Happy birthday to you, sir. We just say ohoye. Kensford also and Sam manager for GCR Credit Union. Happy birthday to you. Right. Then Bright Yao Ajenim Boateng of
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I care International School ewa timetim chairman junction wana I said timetim chairman and ewa dimfiensia from Obapa Asante Achim Dampong this year Saturday also will show happy birthday. Bright Yao Boateng Uku School I Care International School ewa timetim chairman Obapa Asante Achim Dampong this year was your friend Saturday or will show happy birthday. Mamenfa first winner. Hello, congratulations.
87.9 Kumasi.
Hello.
Why you? Hey, what about Rose? And I want to be a winnie.
If I can now me to be married, and I'm Papa 70. Can you check 35 ways? And I'm a place about one, and I said maybe 200. Can I get me that?
Eti, what to take it, do I say?
Touch of the tobacco, I can make 25.
Hey,
and try one, and you can survive and I can make them.
Can they come at them, baby? It's a to not them, baby. But I am a vampire, my JBY. What do we need that? Why? And then also what we need. Oh,
my baby, no tobacco, and then
and they are to be. I see. There be other two no more. Over a month. Anyway. Ade.
True, you don't have a car drawn. Why, and I'm going to force to go. And
anyway, Jamie, my emphasis, and I'm here. We are promising more of extensive coverage of the MPP election. Good morning.
87.9 Kumasi.